Hold on, guys. Let me try and fix this really quick. Alrighty. We're live. We're live and doing well. Let's go. Alright, let's see who's in the chat. We got Leia in the chat. We got Shadow Frost, what's up? We got Craig. We got Craig C. We got Johan, Paul Canto, Johnny Deere. And I think that's Russian, or I don't know. Scamcoin is down 10,000% and now up 15%. Wow. I think that we have a gentleman that probably lost money in Dogelon Mars. Now he doesn't like it. We have Johnny Deere. We should have just bought Doge. Down horrendous. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. What's up, Alexio? How's it going? All right. Damn. We got Dogecoin 93% on the 7 days. That's insane, guys. So congratulations. Congratulations to whoever obviously bought in. So, wait, why is my, hold on. No, is it pixely? Is it pixelated for you guys? Maybe it's the, maybe it's this. There we go. Let's take a look at Dogecoin because obviously we're all here for Dogecoin. Well, we're not really all here for Dogecoin, but oh my gosh, guys. Whoever bought back in October of last year, you are up almost 4x on your, yeah. Hey, so to the guy who's saying that he still has 111 billion, where to sell? That's the question. I don't think you like, so you, what you're saying doesn't make sense because you're calling it a scam coin, and then you're saying it's down but up 15%, and then you're saying that you still have, and then if you put that much money in, wouldn't you know where to sell it, and wouldn't you have already known what your plan is to get out? So I'm honestly not buying it. I think you're trolling. I'm gonna ban you, and yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. Actually, we're gonna ban him. Actually, no. You know what? I'm not gonna ban you. I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. Sanjeevan for 7. Thank you so much for that. Let's take a look at your coins. BitDAO. Hey, I saw BitDAO and I thought about you. Yeah, we went up. We went up to $1, right? So let's see. BitDAO. So remember, Sanjeevan, you remember we talked about this earlier. We said from the high to the low. We have resistance at 93 cents, and then we have resistance at $1.27. As long as it's under this box, it is bearish. And although we did come up, we even said, you remember, we were like, hey, it could come up and tag either 93 up to $1.29 and still be bearish. So if you actually sold it, congratulations, because you made, around 100% on your investment. But again, I think you bought here, so you're still overall down, which isn't good. But keep in mind that we also did fall back below. We did fall back below 93 cents. So it is bearish again. And if you look, we're under the 382. We actually came back down to the 0.5. So I'd say at this point, as long as it stays over 73 cents, then you are looking at a continuation up. At any point, if you do fall below 73 cents, we are going to go back down and retest the low. And if we do, if 73 cents does hold, then you are going to get consolidation, and then hopefully it'll be sooner than that. Hopefully we go down and then just bounce and get up on out of here. So very important levels that it absolutely needs to break and hold. 73 cents on the downside, and then we need to get over and stay over $1.29. But the same thing works for 93 cents, because honestly at this point we'll take consolidation in resistance, and then eventually when we break out, we're going to the moon. Exactly what happened here, but unfortunately again we fell back down. But if you had sold at the targets, then you would have made money, because this move up is huge, right? And yeah, that is BitDAO for you. And then let's see. Spell token. So taking a look at Spell token, unfortunately, with Spell token, yeah, it looks like we came up and then now we're getting rejected. So it's not looking good. Oh no, I mean, I guess technically we're still, are we consolidating in resistance? Oh no, we're still over the 382, so that's actually that's very good. As long as it stays over at 3071, which is I think what we said last time, the macro bullish is going to be the next target on the way up, which as of right now is around 3096. Once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance to the 382 at 2018, and then once that breaks, then you're looking to the moon. Previous levels are going to get hit, and just keep in mind that from today to the 382, which actually we got rejected at last time too, is around 156%. So, or sorry, 159%. So, yeah, that's what I think. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Okay. I'm in at 8 cents. So, and so many Dogecoin that I can't publicly post it. God candle galore, dude. Congratulations, man. I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy that Dogecoin is going to the moon. That's crazy. Like, congratulations. Like, let's take a look at Dogecoin right now, because this thing is going absolutely parabolic. And yeah, I mean, I'm just waiting for my coins. Unfortunately, my coins aren't moving, but yeah, we actually blew past the 618. So I'd say Dogecoin's next target is around 41 cents. Keep in mind, we do it with any sort of retracement. We do need to hold the 236382. So if we do come back down, we absolutely need to hold 18 to 22 cents. I know that's a really big move down, but it's not uncommon for coins to retrace 20-30% followed by breaking up. Just look at this. Like this last time, it went down 65% before we started going back up. So as long as Dogecoin is over 18 to 22 cents, I'd say Dogecoin to the moon, and the next target is 41 cents. And that's all I got for Dogecoin right now. We're gonna kind of leave this here actually, and then we could keep our eyes on it. So we'll see how high it can go. Let me also change it on the hourly, because this is also still valid on the hourly. So yeah, I'm gonna be here. Yeah, I'm gonna be here a while. So let's see what happens. Wi-Fi. Oh, I've bought at that blah blah blah. Not joking, just tired. Then you're already up so much, and especially if you have 111 billion. What is that? Actually, that's not a lot. 111 billion, because I have like 44. So what is that right now? That's like 8 grand. You're looking at 16 grand. Maybe a little bit more than 16 grand. So yeah, you're looking at like, yeah, I guess you could be tired, especially if you bought in at that low. But then again, you probably, you bought in for dirt cheap. So, I mean, you're still at like 16, 17 grand. So it's not a bad return, especially at your buying point. So, but yeah, no, I get it. I'm tired too. And you bought before me. You bought in 2021. I think I bought in 2022. Let me see. The first time I ever bought it is actually on my Gemini account. Yeah, the first time I bought it was, yeah, just, it was like January 2022. No, I didn't pay that much. It was like 602. Yeah, I bought it at like 602 around that area, and then my $1,000 became like, yeah, because I remember I bought 2.2 billion coins, and it cost me $1,000. So whatever the price is at that point. But yeah. Man, is she going or what? Come on. What is this actually? Dogecoin, 50% to 42%. 50% to 41 cents. That's, you could get that in a second, guys. That's crazy. Let's look at OXT only because it's my coin and I have to look at it. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. I mean, on the daily it's up 9.9%, but I guess it's doing better than Spell. It's not doing better than Dogecoin, and it's not doing better than Dogelon. So, buy Math. Math is a good coin. It had a really big run, but we did come back down, and now we're going back up. So, yeah, it is. You know, we went up huge, 71 cents. That's crazy. That's crazy. Goldfinch, yeah, Goldfinch is moving. I'll take a look at Goldfinch because that's I always look at that. It looks like it wants to break resistance, but remember the 236 I think is $1.04, and I think Goldfinch is like about to hit it, right? Oh, actually it blew past it. Let's go. Yeah, it was like $2, and then we got rejected, and then we blew past it. So, man, Goldfinch is that guy here that bought like at $1. Remember we said $1 support? And then it went all the way back up, and now it's flying. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Shiba. I forgot about that. Shib. Yeah, Shiba. Oh, my gosh. I got to tell my coworker. Yeah, I should probably text my coworker. Be like, hey, you should probably sell your Shiba. No, I'm just joking. From the high to the low for Shiba, we're over the 236. Sorry, 382. And this actually looks exactly like Dogecoin. Dogecoin is over the 618. So same thing applies here for Shiba Inu. You are looking at 4033 being the next target as of right now. And then as long as it stays over the 236382, which is going to put it at 24 to 22. So any sort of retracement, this area absolutely needs to hold. And if it does, then you are looking at a continuation at 4033. So, yeah, that's what I think about Shiba Inu. And then, what did you say? You Spell and Dogelon pretty money. What did I miss on Elon? It's actually time to get a little bit excited about Elon. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh. My account's going back up. Let's go. So yeah, we blew past everything. Look, so we said this was support. We said once we break past this box, then we are going to the moon. And look, what do you know? We're going to the moon. So the next target is around 604. That's the next area of resistance. Keep in mind that is around a 94% pump. And then if it doesn't double top here, because remember, we always get kind of double topped. If it doesn't double top here, then we are looking at basically a blow off top here based on 604, and then you're looking at 5013 being next, and that would be another 200% from 604. But at that point, I think people are going to be piling in, and yeah, it's just going to start going parabolic, but we'll see what happens. Bro, Spell Token and Dogelon printing me money right now. Let's go, Jay. Yeah, hey, Jay, welcome to the live stream, man. Hey, finally, Jay made it to the live stream. So congratulations on making it. You're always asking. I mean, you're always asking about Spell Token. I'm like, dude, I hope Spell Token goes up for this guy, because it is. I mean, you already know. Like, okay, first of all, you already know what coin I'm holding. So I understand your pain. And also keep in mind, on the 7-day, my coin's up 23% and your coin is up 51%. So Congratulations. I know you've been buying, and so that's awesome. That's really cool for you. I hope Spell token goes to, breaks 309, because once 309 breaks and we start flying up out of here, you're going to start making a lot of money. So let's see. Gemini. You sell your Elon on Gemini. But if Coinbase or Binance lists it, you could always transfer your coins over. You could always transfer your coins over to Binance or Gemini, and you could sell it on those platforms. Sorry, if Coinbase or Binance lists it, you can always transfer it from Uniswap or Gemini or wherever else you're holding it. You could always send it to Coinbase or Binance, and then you can sell it on there. And most likely, it's going to be a lot more liquid there, because the buy walls on Gemini are like not there. So if you were to sell 111 billions, it would probably push the price down all the way to 601. So you would just look at that to maybe sell incrementally. So we want to form a cryptocurrency alliance and meet up in Costa Rica like El Salvador. Let's go. What's Shiba update? When's Shiba all-time high, baby? I don't know. But I gotta text my coworker because he has Shiba Inu, and he's probably super. He doesn't check his phone like every single second, so he's gonna be super excited to see Shiba Inu up. Look at this God candle, guys. Like, if anybody put in $1,000, they made 400 bucks. If anybody put 10 grand in, you're up four grand. Keep in mind that if you actually bought the low here, you're up 14 grand if you put in 10 grand. So congratulations to everybody that's in this trade right now. Always watching your analysis. Thank you. Yeah, of course. Thank you. I appreciate that. I didn't know if you were like trolling or if you were serious. I don't know if you were like, yeah, I really didn't know if you were trolling or not. So I'm glad that's all cleared up. Trump winning the presidency is huge catalyst for crypto. Yes, it is. And I think he also made some transactions using Bitcoin, which is one of the reasons why Bitcoin's actually going parabolic, is because the president of the United States is actually using Bitcoin. I think he did some transactions paying with Bitcoin. Hey, so it's very interesting. What is a 10x for Elon from where we are at today? Good question. 10x from where we are at today is going to put it at previous all-time high. I want to say around previous all-time high. So 10x from where we are at today is 10x. But if you had bought down here, a 10x from down here would be a 20x. So that's what the difference is in buying when we're all the way at the low, is literally you get a whole extra 10x. So just keep that in mind too. Oh no, is that it? Are we done? Are we getting a retracement? Oh no, come on Dogecoin. Shiba Inu and Elon are on fire today. Yes, they are. Not trolling, just angry because of my losses. Yeah, dude, I'm still down overall because of my OXT. So I get it. Trust me. That's why I'm not excited, because my OXT is still down. Like if you think about it, especially for people, especially when you're buying here at like 15, 20 cents, 20 cents, and then you literally see it go, like your portfolio go 50% down. That's like the worst feeling ever. So I'm like overall really down. I think that this has to go to like 30, 40 cents for me to basically break even. 30 cents for me to break even. And then anything over 30 cents, then I could be like, oh my gosh, I'm finally making money. But hey, Dogelon Mars, completely different, man. Dogelon Mars is a whole different story. Look at this. We're up 59% on 7 days, and we're up 62% on the monthly. And I'm really excited for that. So congratulations to everybody that bought Dogelon Mars. We've been making videos on it since last August, September, October, November. So we literally stuck it out. Yeah. Jay's up 2,500 on Spell. let's go. Hey, but remember how it feels like when you lose all of it, because that's exactly what happened. We talked about it with my Dogelon and with your Spell token, where literally your 4 grand, like my 4 grand went from 4 to like 13 and then back down to like 3. And I'm like, whoa, what the heck? Like, how is that even possible? I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm just trying to say, just remember, you're up 2,500. So are you trying to become a millionaire, or are you trying to take $2,500? Because if you're asking me, I'm trying to become a millionaire. So I don't care if I'm up 2,500. I don't care. I've been up 10K. I've been up more than 10 grand. I've been up like 20 something at one point, and I lost all of it because I didn't sell. So horrible feeling, but it's okay. That's just the risk you're willing to take, especially when you don't sell. So I got money on the side ready to buy dips. All right, let's look at Spell token for you then. Yeah, so for let's see. For Spell token, we're over the 382. This is crucial. I wouldn't necessarily say buy here. I would say if you're trying to dollar cost average down, yeah, I guess it would be that. You're looking at 3069 to 307. So theoretically, yes, it would be around this box. So I would say with any sort of pullback and retracement, 3069 to 3071 needs to hold. And keep in mind, from this peak, that is around a 22% correction. So it's not uncommon for it to go 22%. But yeah, but you know, from here, it's 6%. So it's not, too bad. But if it does fall below this box, just keep in mind that we do have the risk and potential of coming all the way back down here and consolidating. Exactly what's happened every single time, right? This one's a little bit higher, and we actually broke out. I think at this point we broke out of this downtrend. So that's just a risk you have to take, especially if you're not buying at that low. Let's go, Demon for 5. Thank you so much for the 5 beans. I really appreciate that. Think Wjack in Ethereum will go up to 2 cents. Let's see. You guys think I could get to 1,000 subscribers? Visions at literally 1,100 1,100 people watching, views. I need to get, dude, I'm going to stream for however long it takes today to get to like 100 to 200, because I think that would be insane. Wjack, do I think it's going to get to 1 to 2 cents? Well, that's a good question. First of all, thank you so much for the 5. I really appreciate that, and that's awesome. So the graph is still valid. Everything's still valid with Wjack. So I'm not going to change the graph because I have it saved. But as of right now, we need to break the previous high. So we need to break this previous high. That it does look like that is the next target, because we did get over the this box of resistance. So obviously you're not looking at selling there. The next target is price discovery, all-time highs at around 204, 205, which as of today is going to put the price around a 3x. Keep in mind that is going to put the market cap at around 270 million. The next resistance, which I actually haven't drawn out, is actually coincidentally, I don't know if you just said 2 cents because that's what you want to hit, or I don't know if you did your TA and you were like, can it hit 2 cents? But you can see that the next area of resistance once we break that is 2 cents 30. So from today, Wjack to that level is around a 16x. So 16x would put it at around like a 10x would be 900 million, and then 6 times that, 6 times 9 is what, 54, so 1.4, 1.5 billion. So do I think that Wjack can hit 2 cents? Yes, because the market cap would only be 1.5 billion. And given that, it's Wjack. I think it's possible. I think I would probably sell on the way up. I think my selling points, obviously, like always, are going to be 2.05, so around half a cent. And then I'll let the rest ride to 2 cents. And then if in case it goes higher, then I'd have some too. But personally, not financial advice. If I was selling it, I would start at half a cent because that is resistance. And if we do hit that, kind of like what we hit here, we might get a big retracement all the way back down to 0.019, followed by continuation up. So just remember, nothing goes up forever. And again, thank you so much for the 5. I really do appreciate that. Let's see. I'm trying to become a millionaire. 2,500, nice, but I'm waiting for life-changing money. Exactly. That's exactly what I said and how I lost like 30 grand. But hey, no, I'm with you. Like I'm about to do it again this time. So it's either going to go up or I'm back to square one. So it doesn't even matter for me. So hey, we're in the same. We're doing it together. So just FYI. Let's see where Bitcoin's. Oh, Dogecoin is still at 27 cents. Let's look at where Bitcoin's at. I might need to open up another tab just to see this. Woo! Let's check it on the hourly. Oh man, let's go. Okay. Can we check control token? Yes, I have a couple. I think I have a super chat I need to look at, and then we could take a look at control. I'll take a look at Vara. Hi, Mr. Meow Analysis. Can you take a look at Wall Street Baby on Ethereum? I am wallet number 10 on Etherscan. I'll take a look at it for you. I need some Dogelon hype. All-time highs coming. Dude, CyberCurt, thank you so much for the 5. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, so I got some hopium for you with Dogelon. Actually, you might have missed it in the beginning, but you can see that with Dogelon Mars, we broke the 200-day moving average. Look, we literally broke the 200-day moving average, which also did coincide with the 382 from this local high to the low. So 608 was broken. So that's very bullish. We're over the moving average at this point. And in terms of the long-term 236, I think we're getting stuck at it right now. Or we're actually quite not there yet. We're at it's at 23. So once we break 23, then I'd say Dogelon Mars to the moon, and 604 would be the next target. So once that breaks, I'd probably say little to no resistance to 5013, previous all-time high, and then probably even new all-time highs. Also, we're just waiting on the good news, right? If it starts getting listed on exchanges like Binance and Coinbase and stuff, dude, this thing's gonna go absolutely parabolic. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, and keep in mind that from right now to all-time high, or sorry, from right now to 402, which is the 1618, is around 100x. And keep in mind that would put the market cap at around 10 billion. So if Dogecoin can do 80 billion, if Shiba Inu can do 40 billion, there's no reason why, if Dogelon Mars gets listed on these big exchanges, there's no reason why Dogelon Mars can't hit a $10 billion market cap coin. So yeah, and again, thank you so much for the 5. That's awesome. I really do appreciate that. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Control token. So I have a graph drawn for control token. Oh, it's still going. Let's go. Okay, so I need to redraw my targets at this point because all this is invalidated because we were blasting one out of here. So 1 cent 11 is still in play. I think that's only around a 10% pump from the current price. Yeah, so like 8%. Keep in mind that it does need to stay over the 236,382 for any sort of continuation up. In the worst case scenario, the 786, because you're still technically making a higher low. Otherwise, you're going to come down, maybe double bottom here and then move up, but it's unlikely statistically wise. Statistical wise. I don't even know if that's a word. Anyway, so you know what I'm trying to say. So we got support at 209 to around 1 cent. We are at 1 cent 49, and you are looking at around 1 cent And at this point, we do need to actually redraw the targets because it has changed. So I'd say it's still 11, and then you're looking at, yeah, this, hey, wait, hold on. Is this even right? Oops, hold on, give me a second. Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, so it's right. I'm right. Okay, so these are all valid targets. I know these moves aren't that big, but also it's because, again, this thing's like very new, very little price action. We're looking at 36% on the upside at 1 cent 40. But I mean, congratulations to whoever bought down here, right? Because you're up, yeah, you're up like 2x. Very new coin, very new coin. So it's also because I'm doing it on the hourly. That's why I got it. Because if I change it to the daily, yeah, there just really isn't that much information. So that's why I have to do it. That's what it is. Okay, got it. So yeah, so we're going to keep these targets here. This is all valid, and it's all valid until one of these targets get hit. So until one of these gets hit, then we need to redraw the graph, kind of like what we did today. But yeah, that's pretty much it for control token. Gamble, pretty good though. And yeah, we'll see how high it can go. Oh, we're printing another green. Let's go. Is she moving again? Is she moving? Let's go. Let's see. Vara. Is Vara moving? Oh, yeah, it is moving, but just be careful with Vara, remember. Come on, OXT, what are you doing? Make me money. Yeah, so for Vara, nothing's bullish until, so it's not bullish yet because we're not over 3 cents. Once we break 3 cents, I'd say bullish, and this previous low absolutely needs to hold. I guess you can argue that anything under 2 cents 11 is going to send you back down here. So again, nothing very new with Vara. And then Wall Street baby on Ethereum. Taking a look at Wall Street baby on Ethereum. Yeah, nothing's bullish with Wall Street baby until we break 7 zeros 13 and 7 zeros 28. In terms of support goes, I don't even think, I mean, did we even hold support? No, we didn't. We just kind of, I guess you could argue that we held the 786 from this low to the high, not even using that wick, but that's, I don't even want to use that because there's another wick there. So I'd say if this isn't the floor if this is the floor at 808 for Wall Street baby on Ethereum, you're looking at 7 zeros 13 to 7 zeros 28 being major resistance. Keep in mind, if you're trading it, that's still a lot of money. I mean, especially if you bought here, that's around a That's around a 58% to 238% pump. But if we get stuck anywhere in this box, in this resistance, then it is going to come back down, and we have to hope that 808 does hold. So I hope that made sense. Craig C with Caspa. I'll take a look at Caspa for you. J question. I got 11.5 Dogelon Mars tokens. Let's go. Nice, like $2,500, right? I would like to make one huge time buy of 14 billion to reach my goal of 25 billion. Should I wait? Yeah, you should absolutely wait. Why buy it right now? Like, this is exactly what happens to people. Don't be one of those people that buys the giant green candle. But again, you're risking it going up. But like, honestly, I'd probably wait until it comes back down before it starts going back up again. Because look. But again, don't get mad. Like, not financial advice, but I would never buy when the RSI is this green. Even though we might, like, at this point, you should already be in. At this point, you should be like, okay, well, am I going to sell or what, right? So at this point, it could push again, and it could go even more in the green like it did last time. Like, it could go that high, that much higher on the RSI, and it could go major green, and we could even go to 604. but it's just a matter of time before we do have a correction. Personally, me, I like buying when the RSI is under the 50%, under the halfway mark. But again, you got to do what's best for you. You got to do whatever you want to do. This isn't financial advice. I would say no, but again, this is that one time that I say no and this thing absolutely goes up. But if it does go up, like, are you ready to sell? Like, at what point are you ready to sell? So you got to do what's best for you, not financial advice. I wouldn't, but you could do whatever you want. Let's take a look at Caspa. Is Caspa having a nice move? Oh, it is. 23% on the day. 41%. Wow. So yeah, guys, we talked about this. We made a high, or actually we double bottomed, like we said, and now we're getting a nice bounce. So we are over the 236.382 as long as it stays over 13 cents. We are looking at retesting 21 cents and 33 cents. So it was 28 cents before, but obviously because it went all the way back down, we need to reach our targets. Anything over 13 cents is still bullish, and the target is still 21 cents. If it falls below 13 cents, then we're going to come back down and capitulate and have a bigger capitulation. Once 21 cents breaks and we go into price discovery, the next move is up to 33 cents. Keep in mind, for those that bought the dip, congratulations. That's around a 232% pump. So congratulations on that. Oh my god, this is it, guys. We're about to make it. Oh no, it's red again. That's not good. What's happening with Bitcoin? Oh no. It's funny doing TA on Bitcoin on the hourly. So yeah, guys, we're probably going to come back down 79 to... This is what I think. This is going to be a long stream, so let's see what happens with Bitcoin. I say Bitcoin needs to hold 79,800 and 85 to $79,064. As long as it holds this and we get a nice little bounce, which keep in mind that is around only a 2% at this point. It's crazy that that these thousands and thousands of dollars are only like 2%, 3% for Bitcoin at this point. It's pretty cool. No, go up. Why is it going down? No, OXT. Come on. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm going to open up another thing so I stop looking at it. Let's do it on the hourly. All right. Let's see what happens with OXT. I think we have, this is our target right now, 10 cents. So how long is it going to take for it to hit 10 cents? That's a good question. And then our target for Dogecoin is here. And then our target for Bitcoin is here. So yeah. How long the RSI takes to go down, just trying to learn. So it depends, because it's not how long does it take until it go down. It's if so if you get a lot of sells. So there's going to be a point with Dogelon that people are going to sell, and all the buy orders are going to get filled. But when that happens, when you sell against people's buy orders, that pushes the RSI down. So there's only so much selling that can happen. Just FYI. Unity through the people. Let's go. Hey, if you ain't got no Dogelon Mars, get you some. Get you some. Hey, you were trying to tell people. Hey, man, you were trying to tell people and they didn't listen, man. But remember that if you ain't got no Dogelon Mars, get you some. Get you some. Hey, I hope I don't get copyrighted. Hey, I hope Moonbound's super excited right now, dude. Like, he deserves it, man. He deserves it. Moonbound's been with it like since day one. Buy the red, get ahead. That's what I got out of Moonbound. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Yeah, well, people are buying it at 100% high now. If people had bought the dip when we told them to, they'd be up 90%. So, I mean, it is what it is. Demon, 1.4 million buyer, and then against the seller, there's 838K. So when you get an offset like that, it also does push the RSI up. So what you really want to see is like when people sell and then the buy volume goes down and it changes. That's what kind of controls the RSI. Yeah, I know. I did. I was like, hey, it's down, but whatever. But it's crazy because like it's also crazy talking about it because the last time I bought was here, right? And I even was like, hey guys, like it's crazy to see your account go from 3 grand to 13 grand and then back down to like, or sorry, 4 grand to 13 grand and then back down to like 3 grand, like 3,500. How does that even happen? And like what am I gonna do? Like sell at a loss? No, absolutely not. You buy more. When it goes lower, you buy more. When it's red, you get ahead. No, buy the red, get ahead. Buy the red, get ahead. And now this thing's going absolutely parabolic. And I'll be done. I mean, when this thing goes back up to, if this thing goes and hits my target, I am done. I'm so done. That is around a 200x. So that's it. Dunzo. And then OXC is another story, but HODL, buy more, diamond hand that. Yup, exactly. You already know. You already know. Dude, it's crazy. I went to Vision's live stream today, and I was like, dang, he's yeah, he still has like 960. He has like 1,000 people watching. Ugh, I wish I had 1,000 people watching. I don't know if like I might need to change the description like crypto surge, Bitcoin and altcoin, Dogecoin, Doge, meme coins, technical analysis live stream. I don't know. Maybe I need to change it to something a little bit better, but I mean, we'll see. So Unity, my targets are everything that I actually have drawn out. So my target is 604, 50 is 13, 50 is 26, previous all-time high, and then up to 40 is 2. I don't know at what point. I don't know at what point, but like I'll just see if at some point enough money is enough money for me. Like for me personally, I'm satisfied with it, and you have to figure that out on your own. You have to figure out if that's enough for you. So I'm probably going to sell anywhere between 50 is 26. The rest of it, because remember, I'm selling at 60 is 4, 50 is 13, 50 is 26, and then up to 40 is 2. So I hope that makes sense. I'm so hyped on Elon right now. Let's go. Let's go, John Corso. We're making it. We're doing it. I need some music. Gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Alrighty. Damn, I really need to get a chair. Is this it? I mean, are we blasting up out of here? Are we gonna make it? So Bitcoin's having a nice little retracement right now. Actually, it's kind of good, Demon. I can show you the art. Oops, damn it, I did the wrong one. So yeah, we actually can see the RSI here. So this is what I was talking about to Jay. Like when the RSI, I mean, I know this is on the hourly, so it's kind of redundant, but because on Dogelon, it's on the daily, so it's a little bit different. But on the hourly, for Bitcoin, for example, we were extremely overbought, right? So obviously we're going to get some sort of sell-off, right? And clearly we're getting a sell-off right now. And then actually I should probably draw support for this too. So 6 cents 80, and that this is for OXT, which nobody has but me, but you guys are watching my live stream, so I'm watching it. And then Dogecoin's down here, 18 to 22 cents. So again, we are getting a big pullback right now, but that's what pushes the RSI down. So it's not too crazy to think. And the box is so anywhere. Oh wow, huge sell off. So the box is gonna be targets that I think that it's gonna hit. Obviously, worst case scenario, 76,934, but we'll see what happens. This, if it stays over this box, then again, this is what traders use. So like, for example, if you're trading Bitcoin, you're like, ooh, like we're getting a nice little retracement. I'm actually going to buy right now. This would theoretically be the time to buy because you're in the box. Followed by a retracement up and then sell, blah, blah, blah. Same story. Same story, different day. So Dogecoin is also having a nice pullback. And yeah, we just got to keep an eye on it. Let's see what happens. Oh, wait, I guess I could just leave this up. Yeah, I guess I'll just leave this up for Dogelon. OXT's having a big breakdown. Yeah, Bitcoin's having a huge breakdown. Wow. Is it going to hit $79,064? Is my prediction right or wrong? You decide. Everybody vote on the poll. I'm just joking. I actually don't know how to do polls yet. But also, I don't want to keep clicking the live stream button because I need two screens and I don't have two screens. I'm moving, so it's going to be a lot easier to have two screens when I have a bigger place. But yeah, we'll see if Bitcoin drops another $600, followed by retracement. So you guys decide how low do you guys think Bitcoin can go, and yeah, we'll see. Oh my gosh, OXT, come on. You're supposed to be at 10 cents right now. You're supposed to make me rich. Yeah, this is another one, Goldfinch, the gentleman who asked for it. Later, like Vision said, back to the Shadow Realm. Well, I don't think so. I think, oh wow, this actually fell off the table. Hold on. 69,000. Oh, it's over. We're done. Pack your bags, guys. Pack your bags. It's over. We're going back down to zero. We're going to the poorhouse. So yeah, actually, let's look at some subscriber coins in the meantime. I'm really hoping to grow my channel. I'm really hoping to break like 5,000-6,000 today. I think I'm just gonna live stream for like 5 hours and see in live stream. And see how long I can do it. I got to do an update on Ethernity chain. I'll say you for next stream. Oh, I'll see you later. Hey, I'll see you later. And again, thank you so much for the 5. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. But we need to reverse. This box needs to hold. What do you know? We're getting a retracement, or we're getting a buyback. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, I'll see you later, Demon. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I really do appreciate the 5, the super chat. That's awesome, and I really do appreciate it. All right, let's see. So Goldfinch, I gotta do Ethernity chain. Taking a look at Ethernity chain on the live stream for the subscriber who asked for it. So unfortunately, we had a nice big liquidity wick. So from the high to the low, that did push us over $2.82, but we got rejected. So as of right now, it's very simple to keep it very simple. As long as it stays over $2.17, we are still consolidating in resistance from this high to the low. 284 needs to break, meaning that it shouldn't draw a candle and then get sold off really fast. We need to break over and stay over this point. Once that does happen, then I do put the next target at around this previous local high. And then from there, we'll just have to redraw the targets. But as of right now, that's pretty much it to keep it very simple. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I got to do one on Rari. Rarible. Rari. Taking a look at Rari on the live stream for the gentleman who asked for it, for the subscriber who asked for it. Let's take a look at it. I don't know if I ever looked at Rari, but we'll take a look at it for you. So as you can see on the macro time frame, we are getting stuck at resistance at the 236 at around $1.92. Keep in mind that we did hold resistance at the 786. We didn't quite come back down and test it. So worst case scenario, because we are getting stuck at the 236, just remember that $1.24 is the next area of support. So in case we go back down, keep in mind that we do have resistance at the 236.382. And the 236 from this local high to the low does match the 236 from this high to the low. So that's why I left this line there, because $1.92 strong area of resistance up to around 245. Once 245 breaks, I do put the next target at the retest of 613. That's assuming it just doesn't go parabolic and out of here, right? So you got to set your targets and your sell points, you know, and do what's best for you. As long as we're under $1.92-245, then you are looking at the possibility of retesting $1.24. Keep in mind that we do have the option of also coming back up to 245 and still getting rejected. So that's pretty much it on Rari. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bam. Man, so many people are like asking for updates on their coins because the coin's going absolutely parabolic, or everybody's coin's going like absolutely parabolic. Do you see Elon going past 4 zeros? No, I don't, but oh, 4 zeros too? Possibly. Because it could go to what Shiba Inu did, which is 408, which would put the market cap at 40 billion. So keep in mind, for Dogelon Mars, 402 is $10 billion market cap. And the reason why I'm like, oh, that's good enough for me is because we got in so low, but also it's because Dogecoin hit 80 billion, Shiba Inu hit 40 billion. So in my mind, I was like, oh, like Shiba Inu or Dogelon Mars can at least hit 10 billion, given that also it could go higher than that, given, you know, Binance and Coinbase listing, all that stuff. It could go higher than that. So, but that's my targets. I don't know, but that's up to my targets. So you got to do what's best for you. Kishu Inu. Oh, we broke resistance. So taking a look at Kishu Inu for the gentleman who asked for it. So yeah, so all the targets got hit. So congratulations if you bought at the perfect timing, and obviously you accumulated. So at this point I got to redraw all my targets. So let me just remove everything and take it from square one. So from the high to the low, you could see that we are getting stuck at the 236. Once the 236 does break, though, you got little to no resistance and retesting of the 382. From there, I'd say Kishu Inu to the moon. In terms of support goes, I think we came back down and tagged the 786, which we did. You can see we came all the way down, tagged the 786, and now we're getting a nice recovery bounce. In terms of the short term goes, I'd say we have support at 236.382. And the 236 does coincide with the 236 from the high to the low, so we'll just leave that as is, and we'll say that as long as it's over this box, then the next target at 801 is in play, which is around a 110% pump from the current price. At any point, if it does fall below this below this box, then we are going to go back and retest these lows. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I only got a couple more, and then we could just hang out and see what's happening with everything. Okay, so Dogecoin's at 27 cents. We got Bitcoin. Oh, exactly what happened. Look at this. So we came down. We came down in the box, and now it looks like we're getting some sort of buyback. This is great. This is really good. Hopefully OXT. That means yeah, OXT is having a nice little pullback too, like a buyback too. I'm really hoping this thing flies for me because I need to get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Somebody let me out. Come on, 10 cents, please. That's one of my sell targets. That is one of my sell orders. I have 10,000 at 10 cents, and then I have come on. We're so close. It's just come on. It's just like it's just a 36% pump. That's actually a lot. That's actually a lot of money, but yeah. Alrighty, let's get back to the videos. I'm so pissed. I'm waiting for 10x on Turbo. How high is 10x from Turbo? Harlem Fashion, are you still in the chat? Paging Harlem Fashion. Let me know if you're still in the chat. Oh, someone's asking for Cardano. Dude, this is exactly how you know alt seasons are on the corner. Taking a look at Cardano on the live stream for the subscriber that asked for it. Oh my gosh, congratulations to whoever bought this dip. That's like around 100% pump, so congratulations. That's crazy. But let's look at Cardano on a bigger time frame and see what's happening with it. So clearly you can see that we are getting stuck at the 382. But for those that actually had sell orders in at the 382 at around 60 cents, congratulations, because on that position at least, if you did buy the low, you are up around 122%. So that's nothing to shy away from. Congratulations. So theoretically, if someone put in 10 grand, you're at 22 grand for a profit of 12 grand. So congratulations. As long as it's under 60 cents, it is still bearish, and we do have to worry about the 236. However, as long as it stays over the 41 cents, then we are looking at ADA, Cardano to the moon. So if we do get some sort of pullback and some sort of long drawn out consolidation in a downtrend, we do need to hold over 41 cents, and then I'd say Cardano to the moon. 60 cents needs to get retested, and once we blow past that, then we're looking at previous highs. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Again, very key levels that we need to get over is 60 cents. From the time of the stream, we actually got over 60 cents, so it looks very bullish in my opinion. But the problem is we need to break over and stay over 60 cents in order for it to be macro bullish. So 60 cents, worst case scenario, 41 cents. Once that breaks, you're looking at up to 312, and from there, we're just going to have to redraw the targets at that point. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Wow. Congratulations to ADA holders who are bullish, my friend. Oh, all-time high 90 days. I wish. Thank you for the content peaks bull run, which say PNG can hit. All right, last one is PNG, and then we're just gonna hang out for the next 6 hours to see how many subscribers I can get. Imagine. So far, so good for Dogelon, though. Or sorry, so far, so good for Dogecoin, though. Congratulations on Dogecoin. Oh yeah, PNG. Yeah, so nothing's actually changed for PNG. So I'm not even gonna make a video on it. I'm really hoping that. Actually, I'm just gonna tell them like, hey, like nothing's changed with PNG. Nothing has changed with PNG. I'm live streaming if you need me to look at it again. Otherwise, I'll do another update video Saturday, if not sooner, and if the targets break. There. Now he has to come to my live stream. See, that's what I'm gonna do. Like people that comment, I'm just gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna look at it on the live stream. So you guys have to come to the live stream. Hey, can you guys tell me if my camera is blurry? Can you guys tell me if my camera's blurry? Because I don't know if that's something I need to do, but or if I need to buy like another camera. GE, what's up, man? How are you? Mr. General Electric, let's go. How are your coins doing? What coins are you holding? I forgot. I think it's Spell Token, right? I'm not sure. There's so many coins I look at, so I'm sorry. Hey, it looks like Bitcoin's holding the box though. It looks like we're getting a nice little buyback. So if we get a giant green candle here, then I'd say what's next? Like 84K. Damn, that would be crazy. That would be really crazy, actually. Ooh, Fear and Greed going up though. We're almost at extreme greed, guys. Be careful. Yeah, alt season, you know, altcoin market cap is going up very, very, very slowly though. Look at this. We're slowly going to alt season. Guys, this is it. What? This is it. Alt season's like around the corner. It's slowly shifting over to the right side, guys. That's awesome. I guess we could do prior to the move. We'll be here. Yeah, I guess that's a macro time frame. Let me change this to the short-term time frame, which actually it did hold. Yeah, so we got Dogecoin needing to hold 25 to 27 cents. Is this it? That's a $1 million question, guys. Is it it? I didn't even know this was a thing, but wow. Top 100 coins performance over 90 days. Guys, this, like, what? Did anybody even know this? Did anybody even know this thing existed? So we got Nero. Oh my gosh, this thing went parabolic. Wow. Wow, guys, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Our target was almost hit actually, so that's not bad. But unfortunately, we have to redraw everything because I did it on the hourly because we just didn't have that much information. But at this point we do, so how much did it go up? Wow, 100%. Damn, it's pretty good. So you got this area needing to hold with any sort of retracement, and then you have 34, and then 2066 next, which as of today is going to be around a 33 to another 160%, which is going to put the market cap around 2 billion. So congratulations to whoever bought this because you're rich. And from this move up to the current price, you're up 76x. So wow, congratulations on that, guys. That's crazy. I guess there's really nothing more to talk about. Other than this, like this is pretty interesting that you actually CoinMarketCap has the top. CoinMarketCap has the top 100 coins performance over 90 days. That's pretty cool. What about GOAT? Yeah, just another coin that I missed out on. Dang. Ray? There's a Radium coin? Wow. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm hoping OXT does, where it just like died and then like came back to life. Like, what is this? Yeah, that's a 30x for Radium. Wow, congratulations. And then Godius Maximus. Everything's starting to run. 400%. Damn. I guess Mew's another. Oh, Pendle's a good one. I remember I actually had Pendle down here, and I sold it. Ugh. I would have made so much money if I held it. That's so unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Yeah, I had it at like. I had it at on crypto.com. Where is it at? This right here. There we go. I had it at 20 cents. Yeah, I had it at 20 cents. So what would that be? That would be a 25x. Oh, can't believe I missed it. It's all good though. It's okay. Everything's gonna be fine. Come on, OXT. What are you doing? And what other ones? Oh, ApeCoin's doing pretty good. ApeCoin might make a comeback. You know what's another coin that's pretty good that might make a comeback? GST. GST is another one that has like, dude, this thing was $10. What was it? Like, yeah, it was like $8 and it's at a penny. Imagine if this actually comes all the way back up. That is insane. That would be from the current price. That would be around a 65,000% increase. So what is that? A 76x? No, a 650x. So a 650x is going to put the market cap at, so 100x is 3 billion, and then 6 times that is like 18 billion. And was it ever that high? No, they diluted the market. That's what it was, because back here when the price was $7, the market cap was 154 million, but the price was $7. And then here you could see when they released coins, the price was, the market cap was, let's see. Oh my god. 109 million. That was like way too hard. And then the price was literally like 7 cents. Yeah, like 10 cents. So they diluted this coin so much, unfortunately. Let's see. Shiba Inu is doing pretty nice. Wow. Again, congratulations to whoever even bought these lows. Because if you have bought it like back here, when it actually dropped down to like 605, dude, you're up like, you could have been up like 7x, 8x. That's crazy. Congratulations to the Shiba Inu Moon Boys. Oh, let's check used car for flip coins. Even though he's not here. Oh, we're still in the box, so there's nothing happening with this coin actually. Yeah, still in the box. It is what it is. Damn, I gotta get... Oh, okay. The viewers are dying down. It's a lot of people watching, though. Yeah, I feel like I need music. Ugh. Oh no. Is this it? Are we going down? Oh no. 79,064.44 absolutely does need to hold. I wonder how my subscribers are doing. Like, if I'm getting a whole bunch right now that it's like pumping. Not quite actually. I would have thought I would get more subscribers, but unfortunately I didn't. But it's all good. Work in progress. I thought I was just gonna get, I thought I was gonna go from like 3,000 to like 7,000 in one day. Oh, we have someone in the chat. The chat's revived. Let's go. So, Vodka Kubos. You want me to look at Aventus? Yeah, that's a good coin. So, taking a look at Aventus for Vodka Kubos. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So, sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but taking a look at Aventus for Vodka. So as of right now, I think we're still stuck in resistance. Yes, we are. So nothing's bullish until we break the 236382. So this is all resistance. Clearly, we've been stuck at it since August of this year. So we've been stuck at resistance for the last 3 months. As long as it stays over $2.29, you are looking at 313 being the next target on the way up. And then once that breaks, then you're macro bullish. The next target is probably going to be the retest of this previous high at around $11. Keep in mind that if we do break below 229, I think we found support, but we'll see. Yeah, so we don't have any more support until $1.18. So we just don't know how low it can go. But that's pretty much it for Aventus. 229 needs to hold. As long as it consolidates in resistance and 313 breaks, you're looking at up to 1184. And then on the way down, if 229 breaks, then you are looking at the next area of support being around $1.18. If for whatever reason it doesn't double bottom here where this previous wick was. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. It's cold. Hold on, let me get my beanie. It's freaking cold. You got scared because I walked in the room.
That's what he does.
Here we go. Oh wow, I leave and I get more viewers. That's crazy. Roberto, how are you, man? Hello. What about Loopring? Oh man, I was there when they listed Loopring last cycle. Let's see how Loopring is doing for you. Thanks again for the membership. Thanks so much for the membership, Roberto. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. That really helps me out. So thank you for that. And then taking a look at Loopring. For the member. So from the high to the low, from the east to the west, we do have resistance at the 236, 382. This is all very, very, very big resistance. Keep in mind, yeah, so that's unfortunate because this area does need to hold. So, Roberto, for Loopring, just keep in mind that we have strong resistance at 23 to 40 cents, meaning that it could come all the way back up to 40 cents, and I know that's around a 400% pump, but we could still get rejected, okay? So again, 23 to 40 cents is resistance, and once we break that, I'd say Loopring to the moon. And then worst case scenario on the downside, 996 absolutely does need to hold. So, and just keep in mind, I'll show you an example. Like if you had asked me here, and this is why it's so important. If you had asked me here, hey, like, can you look at Loopring for me? I would have told you that from the high to the low, you have resistance at the 236382. And then the previous level of support is going to be this low, obviously, and the same thing, right? Where we have resistance at this box. So if you had bought here, that would have been around a 250% pump. You would have been like, oh my God, I'm so happy, I'm up 250%. But if you didn't sell some or take profits, then you could see we came back down. We actually bounced from support. You see we bounced from support, consolidated, and then we broke down and we came back, we tested it as resistance, and then we consolidated. So the reason why this is all important is because, again, that you should always take profits on the way up. No financial advice, just my opinion, because again, you're hoping that this is it, right? That this does something like that, but 99% of the times it doesn't do that, unfortunately. So yeah, I hope that made sense, and that's exactly why I'm telling you that target that's 400% away. That you should probably, not that you should probably take profits, but just remember that you're gambling it. If it actually goes that high and gets stuck, you're gambling 400% gains, especially if you're buying right now, and if you consolidate it on the way down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. You got to do what's best for you. Mew, I remember Mew. I almost bought this in April. So what was the price in April? It was half a cent. That's what it was. Damn. And now it's going parabolic. Congratulations on everyone that's bought Mew. So thank you. I'm hoping in the long run for a 40x for Loopring. What's a 40x? Let's see. Yeah, a 40x isn't impossible. So a 40x puts it at a new all-time high, and it does. So 40x is gonna put it at around $6, and the market cap is gonna be the market cap is gonna be 8 billion, right? Yeah, so it's 200 million right now. 10x is 2 billion, and then 4 times that is 8 billion. So yeah, that's not impossible, but you're gonna have to. You're gonna only have like, what is it? Then 29, 11, 2. You have like 2 weeks to sell. You have like 3 weeks to sell. So, so good luck. I hope it does go up for you. That would be awesome if it does. Oh no. Oh no, Bitcoin's breaking down. Is that it? Are we done? That's not good. Dang. Maybe I'll start another stream and like I'll name it something different, like Bitcoin, crypto, Bitcoin and Bitcoin and MEMECOIN, Bitcoin, MEMECOIN. I don't know. I gotta figure it out because you know, we're going to the moon, and I'm only getting like 12 to 20 subscriber, or sorry, 12 to 20 people watching. But I feel like I should be getting more because we are because we're going parabolic. Like, look at Bitcoin. We're literally at 80,000 or 79,000 now, but that's crazy. Thank you. I think that if it just goes, if the highest potential, but hopefully I'll sell at 20x if it does happen. Yeah, I think that's possible. 20x still puts it at 4 billion. So 20x is going to put the price at, I think it was like at relatively close to the previous all-time high, right? Alt season index. So guys, this is actually pretty cool. So the alt season index says the CoinMarketCap alt season index page provides real-time insights into whether the crypto market is currently in alt season based on performance of the top 100 altcoins relative to Bitcoin over the past 90 days, which are detailed, with detailed charts and metrics for tracking market trends and altcoin dominance. So guys, this is actually really cool that CoinMarketCap does this. Why is Maker down 22%? Oh, over the last 90 days. Okay, yeah. Dude, that's crazy. What happened to Maker? I don't know, but what's this? Not coin? That's not good. All right, Maker ton. Caspa's down 12% on the 90 days. What about Department of... Oh, it's still not going. This one. Oh no. That's not good. Yeah, I can, Roberto. Flare. Taking a look at Flare for my member, Roberto. Thank you so much for the membership. I really do appreciate it. So, yeah, unfortunately, nothing's happening with Flare. We're getting stuck at the 236. I put resistance at 236 at around 1 cent 40. Next area of resistance is going to be 2 cents. That is crucial because that is the 382 from the high to the low. Once 2 cents breaks and it manages to stay over, I'd say Flare to the moon. And then in terms of support goes, I don't know if there's any more support. No, there isn't. So clearly 1 cent 20 was the last area of support, which we actually did come down and tag, and we got a nice move up. So we tagged from we tagged from support. Now we're stuck in resistance. So these three targets are very crucial. So just remember, over 1 cent 20, you're looking at 1 cent 43, 2 cents, and then anything over 2 cents is probably going to send you past, send you back up to this previous high at around 5 to 6 cents. So that's what I think. Flare, Anchor. Oh my God, you want Anchor? I remember when Anchor was listed on Coinbase and it hit like 12 cents. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude, that went down so much. It's unfortunate. So taking a look at Anchor for my member Roberto, which again, thank you so much for the membership. Oh, hey, Anchor's trying to be bullish. Hey, red alert, red alert. Anchor's over the 236. So we're looking at anything over 2 cents 76. We have little to no resistance to the 382 at 4 cents. When 4 cents breaks, I do put the next target at the retest of this high. And then from there, once it gets over and stays over that area, we are looking at the previous high at 21 cents. In terms of support, unfortunately, you can see we literally don't have any more support because we actually blew down below it. And from here to here, yeah, so, I guess we hit the 786. So we could arguably say that, Actually, yeah, we could say that. So 2 cents 30 is still valid support. At any point, if we do break below 2 cents 76, 2 cents 30 needs to hold. As of right now, though, and based on the trajectory, we are headed to 4 cents. So once 4 cents breaks, we're really looking at 6 cents 90, and once that breaks, anchor to the moon, and you should probably get your finger on the selling because yeah, it's going to go to the moon. So not financial advice, obviously, just my opinion. Dang, thank you so much for the 5, Roberto. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you so much for the super chat. That's amazing. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you. Louis the Cool, how are you? What's up, man? I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Grago. Taking a look at Grago. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, we're... Yeah, so as long as we're over the box, 8 cents is still in play. Hey, wait. Louis the Cool, was the chart valid? Was the chart valid from the last time I looked at it? I think so. We blew past resistance, right? We stayed over 1 cent 30 to 2 cents 20. Now we're going to 8 cents. Yeah, so that's it's still validated. So there's nothing that's changed from the last time we looked at it. So you're still looking at 200% to the next area of resistance at 8 cents. So as long as it stays over 1 cent 30 and 2 cents 20, then the targets aren't going to change. So we'll just have to take it from there. But yeah, I think this is pretty solid. So congratulations in advance. This thing looks pretty good. And it's relatively low market cap. It's gambling. You already know. So you don't need me to tell you. So good luck. I really do hope that you make it with this. Dogecoin's breaking down. Okay, so yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's awesome. Yeah, so far so good. Bitcoin's holding 79,000, so we don't have to worry about a bigger capitulation down to 76,000, but if that happens, that would suck. How's OXT looking? OXT is looking bad as usual, but it's okay. It's okay. We're still hoping we hit the 10-cent mark. Hopefully we hit the 10-cent mark. That would be nice. And then XRP and XLM are just doing horrible. Like what's the 2017 coins at? Yeah, they're not doing so good. Yeah, not so good. I'm really surprised that XLM and XRP and the 2017 coins aren't running with Bitcoin. It's really, really, really unfortunate. I just don't get it. Let's look at what's running on Coinbase, actually. That's a good let's see what's running on Coinbase. Oh, we got TRB running. I guess I could make a video for views on TRB. What is that, Teller? I won't make a video on it, but I will take a look at it. Yeah, wow. Look at this move. This one-day move is like 117%. That's absolutely monstrous. So congratulations to whoever bought that. That's awesome. Good for you. So from the high to the low, you can see we actually smacked straight into the 382, and we got rejected. Anything over $75 for Teller, TRB, is still bullish. At any point, if it does fall below $75.69, you're looking at a bigger capitulation down. And then once $1.09 breaks, I'd say Teller to the moon, and we're probably going to go retest that wick at around $400, $500. So Yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion. And congratulations to whoever got in at the lows, because the lows were like here. Yeah, like $10, $11. That's good for you guys. Yeah, good for you. Bitcoin's still holding 79,000. That's good. Hopefully we have a continuation up and we don't have to worry about a big capitulation down to 76,000, but we're just going to have to wait and see. How do I become a member? Would like to support you. Thanks. Wow, thank you so much, Louis the Cool. I really do appreciate that. I think that, like, so get out of the live chat really quick. Like, click an X on it. And then on the... So you click on my channel. And then you... Yeah, that's a good question, actually. How do you become a member? I should probably know this, huh? I should probably know this, right? That's weird. I thought it gave you the option to... Oh, yeah. Okay. So don't click off the channel. Yeah, I don't know. Does anybody know? I should probably know how to do this, but I actually don't. How do you become a member? Maybe you go to... Hold on, let me see. You go to my channel. You go to my channel and you... visit channel. Wow. I don't know. I have no idea. Wow. I guess I lost a member. Louis the Cool. I guess I've seen some people do it on the live stream though, which is unfortunate because people have definitely become members like while I was live streaming. But let me see. And then hold on, let me look at that Roberto's coin really quick, and then I'll figure it out. How about Storage A? And then I have to go to work. Thanks again. Yeah, I'll take a look at Storage A for you. So taking a look at Storage A, kind of like Filecoin and Saya Coin and all that stuff. I like Storage A. I like this coin. So from the high to the, I don't have any, but I like it. So from the high to the low, you can see we broke the 236. Next level of resistance is going to be around 61 cents, followed by retest and then breaking. I would say, yeah. So hold on, let me just see areas of support. Okay, so the 0.5. Okay. So for Storage A, anything over 39 cents puts you at at the retest of 61 cents. 161 cents, you're looking at $1.26 as long as it stays over 61 cents. From there, you're looking at the next target, little to no resistance at 207. 395, which is the previous high we made back in March 2021. And then you're looking at up to $26 for Storj. That's Moonboy target. That's around a 50x from the current price. Keep in mind, around a 50x is going to put the market cap at around $10 billion. So has it ever been $10 billion? No, it's hit $1 billion. So yeah, you just got to figure out at what point you want to sell. Maybe in between $4 and $26. So not financial advice, just my opinion. At any point, if we do break below 39 cents, then we are probably going to go and retest these lows at around 23 to 26 cents. So just FYI. And let me Google this. How do you become a member while someone's live streaming? YouTube. How do we remember what's inside? Okay. Oh, interesting. So so this is how you do it. You just go on my YouTube, and then you could click on any one of my videos. Hold on. Yeah, you click on any one of my videos, and then you... Oh my gosh, what the heck? Hold on. Oh, this is so annoying. Hold on. I feel like I have to know how to do this. I'm dedicated now. Give me a second. Let's look at the Bitcoin price while we do this. I don't know if you can do it on phone. Hold on, guys. Let me try to figure this out. So cryptomio analysis. Oh, I lost a couple. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out, Louis the Cool. Give me a second. So, channel, home. Yeah, interesting. I guess you can't really do it on. If you're on the computer, you go on my home, like my home page, and then you gotta click like on the home. It says our members, and then you could just join that way. It says join, but I don't know how to do it on the phone, unfortunately. Which I really should probably put a button on there. But thank you. I mean, if you can't find it, it's totally fine. Thank you. I wanted to know how to do it myself, so I knew. Let's see Dogelon. How's Dogelon doing? Oh no. Is that all she wrote? Ooh, we're coming down. We're coming down to 79,000, guys. Ship's still running. Oh, Wi-Fi is doing good. I think that was one of the coins I needed to look at, right? Wi-Fi. Oh, I remember this coin being on Coinbase. I know it actually went all the way down. That's crazy. Oh, I gotta stop saying that. That's crazy. It just is like, it is seeing all these coins go to absolutely like zero, unfortunately. I'm so done after this bull run. Well, I'm done until 2028, and then I'll be able to know at what point coins are consolidating and at what point is a good time to buy. Because you really want to buy here when it's consolidating and when we know we've established some sort of floor, right? So from the high to the low for Wi-Fi, nothing's bullish on the macro time frame until 8400 is hit. And then once 8400 is hit, you're looking at little to no resistance to the 382. Keep in mind, last time what happened is we broke out. Like we've been getting rejected actually for the last 2 years from the 382. So that is a very strong area of resistance at around 13,000. We've been rejected once, twice, and from the 236, we've been rejected once, twice, 3, 4, going on 5 times now. So it's not looking good for Wi-Fi. However, I mean, it is what it is. There is no more area of support for Wi-Fi, unfortunately. You can see we've been consolidating over 3,991. So with worst case scenario, we come down, we need to stay over 4,000. So Jassy Pollock. Oh, let's go. Hey. All right, so we hit the next target. Congratulations. I need to redraw my targets at this point. So this is exactly what we talked about, right? So I saved this graph, and then the next target was hit, so I got to redraw everything below that, right? So congratulations, man. That's pretty cool. So from the low to the high, from the low to, yeah, this level at this point, we are going to get continuation as long as we stay over, and this is a good area to theoretically, it is kind of a gamble, but not buy back in, but, you know, dollar cost average down. Because keep in mind that is around a 60% drop, which is a lot, right? So you're looking at 302 to 3035 needing to hold. And the next target, because we actually broke over 3054 at this point, is around 201. So I remember we were looking at this coin down here. So wait, are you up like 5x? You're up like, are you up like 2 to 500% right now? Because we've been looking at this coin for a while, I think, right? So congratulations. That's that good for you. I'm just waiting for my coin to do that. Oh no, it's going down. All right, guys, this is it. 69,000 is about to get hit. We need to stay over this level. Otherwise, we are looking at a bigger capitulation, possibly down to 76,934. So let's see. Let's see if that happens. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll upgrade this graph, or I'll save this graph. So next time you ask for it, we can take a look at it, and we're just gonna take it from there. Keep in mind that if this thing decides to continue to blow up on out of here, 0012 is next, and then 003, and then you're looking at up to around 6 cents, which as of today is going to be around 100x. So at that point, you definitely have to become a member of Louis the Cool. And good for you. Come on, 79,000. That's crazy. Needs to hold. Okay, we got the Coinbase coins. We got, let's look at the chat. Or sorry, let's look at the subs. Nope. Yeah, Dogecoin needs to hold this level. Otherwise, you are looking at a bigger move down. 21 cents would, you would absolutely need to hold 21 cents if 25 cents doesn't hold. Clearly, we're getting stuck in support right now. That's not good. No, don't break. OXC is looking pretty good. Don't you know, pump it up. You gotta pump it up. She's moved like 4 times now. Like, you just gotta make sure you get to every spot. Taco Tuesday, Doge to 33 cents. Well, as long as it stays over 25.74, it avoids going to 21.80, and then you're looking at up to 41 cents. So actually, it's a little bit more than 33 cents. But who knows? We might get stuck at 33 cents, but I don't see any resistance there. The next area of resistance on the macro time frame that we see is 41 cents. So you really want to get something like this. Right? And this is kind of like identical to here. You see that? Here, here, here. So we'll see. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, it needs to hurry up and get a. We need to get a buyback over 27 cents. It needs to get over 27 cents, and then you're looking at up to 41 cents, and then you just got to figure out what point you want to take profit. That's all it is. Oh wow, XEC is doing pretty good actually. Oh, that's the wrong thing actually. Never mind. Yo, Louis the Cool, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Now I have to figure out how to become a member. Thank you. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. Don't you know, pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Yeah, I also have to think of a better name, like a better description for my channel, like Bitcoin and altcoin, or maybe just very simple, like, you know, Bitcoin and altcoin technical analysis, top meme coins, and then like put Dogecoin and all the other stuff. But I'm using Uniswap for my Jassy Pollock, only show coin but no dollar amount. Not sure how much I'm up or down. Yeah, I don't know how that works. So how would you sell it? I don't know how you would sell it, right? If you go and try to sell it, does it not give you an estimate amount of price, or does it just give you how much Ethereum you're getting? Because look, man, you're up to 105% on the 24-hour. That's crazy. I need to be up 124%. I mean, I'm only asking for a 39% actually. Oh my gosh, are we getting a buyback? Let's go. We smacked against 79,000. Let's see what happens. Well, what hour is this actually? That's so that is 8. So 9. So 8 more minutes until the next candle prints. Thinking about selling Shapeshift Fox. All right, let's take a look at it. Why do you want to sell your Shapeshift Fox, just out of curiosity? Like, do you think that this is it? So from the high to the low, yeah, we got stuck at the 382. As long as we stay over 4 cents 80, the next target on the way up is 8 cents 90, which is actually where this previous wick is. So we are consolidating in resistance. And then in terms of support goes, you are looking at support at the 786. So worst case scenario, if we break the 236, very bearish, but it needs to break 4 cents 82. And if 4 cents 82 doesn't break, then you're solid. 8 cents 95 is next. Once that breaks, you're looking at retesting around what, like 22 cents, 15 cents, 16 cents. And then we'll just have to redraw the targets at that point. But it's not super bearish right now. So, but again, I get it. If you got to do what's best for you. So like, if you think that this thing's going to come all the way back down here, then you should probably, you know, sell or do whatever you want. But you got to do what's best for you. I think things will pump even more tonight. Maybe. You might be right. Got in at 003. You mean like 3 cents, right? I guess so. You're still up 100%. Damn, it would have been nice if you would have sold though when you were up like 400%. That would have been nice. But yeah, that's just what happens if you hold, unfortunately. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. All right, we are hitting short-term support right now at 79,000. We are sitting on short-term support at 79,000. Red alert, red alert. This is not looking good at all. This is breaking our dreams into any continuation up, unfortunately, on the shorter time frame. We need to get a bounce from here. Otherwise, if we close below this level, then we are going to go back down to 76,000. Same with Dogecoin. If we break below 25, you're looking at support at 21. And then same with OXT. I know nobody cares about OXT, but I have it, so you guys have to deal with it. That's the price of free technical analysis. You guys have to endure me looking at OXT all the time. So 6 cents 79. You guys are like, what is this? What is this horrible coin? And I agree with you. I agree with you. You just gotta let me have it though. It's going is okay. It's going for gas run. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with you, Taco Tuesday. Look, like we're already coming back. We're back, right? We're back over it. We have four more minutes. 4 more minutes. Four more minutes until we break up on out of here. Let's look at the Coinbase coins. Oh, Degen. That was another coin, huh? It's not really running, but it is going up, I guess. Let's take a look at Degen. All right, taking a look at Degen. From the high to the low, we are over the 382, very bullish. Retest 618, 786, all-time high, and then 53 cents. So very bullish over 208. Next area of resistance is going to be 1 cent 20, which as of right now is going to be around a 33% pump. So very bullish. From the low to the high, you can see that the 382 actually coincides with the 236 from the low to the high. So again, very crucial area of support that needs to hold 208, which it looks like every single time we've broken under, we've popped back up above, and now we're trying to get a breakout. So we'll see. We'll see if it actually does break out. All right. Okay, well, I've been here for 2 hours. Let me go stretch my legs and go to the bathroom really quick, and I'll be right back. All right, are we back? Oh my God, it just pumped to $1 million per coin. Yeah, of course, as soon as I leave. It's not looking good. We need to get over, though. We need to get over 79. So if this isn't a green candle that we have right now that's forming, then we are probably going to go retest 676, I think. right? Yeah, it's going to be worst case scenario down to 79,000. I know we have support. Like in between, but I don't like to look at that because it's not worth it to me. On the hourly chart, there's no point. LOL, the irony, if it would have, as you were away, would have sucked. Yeah, I know, right? Like, it's my fault that it's not going up. Dogecoin's having a nice bounce from 25 cents, though. Dogecoin's looking very strong right now. Look, we got a nice green candle forming right now. The problem is it needs to close over 27 cents. If this green candle doesn't close over 27 cents, then we are going to come back and retest 25 on the hourly. And then OXT just sucks, but it's okay. It's my coin. So we need to hold 7 cents, 6, and clearly we're touching it right now. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, in my opinion, short pullback, but we are running for the rest of the month. Yeah, I mean, these are all, like, this isn't even that crazy. Like, you're looking at a pullback of, like, 2%, you know? In the worst case scenario, it actually does come back down to 76,000. Then, you know, that's around 5%. So these drops are becoming less and less, like, percent-wise, but, like, it's just so much money. So just imagine when we're at, like, 500, 600,000 Bitcoin, or whatever it's going to hit. Imagine what's going to happen when it drops by 0.5%, or, like, 1%. That's going to be detrimental. Each 1% based on 500,000 is going to be like $5,000. So the swings are going to be absolutely insane. Doge behave. Yeah. The problem is that Bitcoin's breaking down, but Dogecoin, yeah, the problem is Bitcoin's breaking down now. So we might, that's all she rode. But it's okay because look, like, that is resetting the RSI. Let's look at the RSI for Doge. Yeah, I mean, like, how long do you expect it to stay green, right? Yeah, look at that. We were in the green and then bam, we just fell off the table with OXT. Like, literally, that's around, I just lost 6%. Like that. But it's okay. It's going to be crazy in January? Yeah, probably. I want to say it's going to be crazy in December. I want to say it's going to be crazy, like, from now until April. And that's it, man. Once April hits, I am out. I'm going to take out all my money and it's all going to go in the bank. That's it. Vachta, what's up, man? Welcome back. So, PNG's not doing anything. PNG's just sucking support. We said, sorry, resistance. So, PNG has resistance at, and we literally said that. PNG has resistance between 23 cents to 30 cents. So, there's nothing to look at PNG. As long as it's stuck between resistance, it could go as high as 30 cents and still come back down like it did before. And then worst case scenario, if it does get below 23 cents, then with PNG, you are looking at the next area of support being around 18 cents. So again, that's pretty much it for PNG. Nothing new about it. GFI had a nasty sell-off. I don't know. Payne South 252. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have my targets, though. So, I don't know. If I feel like it, I'll probably... if I want to sell it tomorrow, I'll sell it tomorrow. If I don't, I don't know. And then you guys can just do whatever you guys want to do. But once I'm happy with the money that I've made, I'm selling. So it doesn't matter. I don't just have Dogelon Mars. So so it just depends on where I'm comfortable with my portfolio. But I already showed you guys my targets for Dogelon, so I'm pretty sure I showed you guys. So like for Dogelon, it's gonna be 6 zeros 4, 5 zeros 13, 5 zeros 26, and up to 4 zeros 2. And these are all gonna be like my targets up to 4 zeros 2. So yeah. We had a nice run though. This is pretty nice. Like that's around 60% in one day. It's nice to see your portfolio go up that much in one day. So congratulations to to everybody that actually believed in it and accumulated down here. Good for you. And we believe in it. Oh no. This candle needs to close up. This candle needs to close over $79,064. Otherwise, again, 76,934 is next. So not looking too good. I say January because of Trump. What you mean, like when he takes office? You might be right. I don't know. I absolutely have no idea how it works, and I don't know. And remember, paying south, Dogelon might never break past its all-time high. So you got to also take that into consideration. Now, when it does, like if it does, don't be one of those people that are like, oh, you said it's never going to, because I never said that. I'm just saying, just to bring you back to reality, some of these coins might never break their all-time highs. So that's why you should always have a plan and take profits on the way up. Or if you don't want to, that's fine with you, but that's what I'm doing. So you got to respect it. And that's pretty much it. Dogecoin's breaking down. Everything's breaking down. OXC's going back down to the abyss, unfortunately. Goldfinch is going down. I mean, everything's going down. I will. Even if we make it to 5 zeros, I'll be happy. Yeah, same here. Like, are you kidding me? Even like 5 zeros 13 is one of my selling targets. Dude, I would be so happy because that's 10x. That's around a 10x of where I first bought. So every $1,000 that I bought is going to be 10 grand. Like, of course I'm going to be happy. And you should like definitely have a plan selling, because like I made the mistake of not having a plan of selling last time, and I got wrecked. Like I got absolutely destroyed because I didn't have a plan. So and then like I made my YouTube channel, and so like I'm hoping, I'm sure if you've been in crypto long enough, and if you like see it, you understand what I'm saying when I say take profits on the way up. But if you're like one of those people, I'm not saying you are, but like one of those people that are like, oh, like I'm gonna wait until, like the guy who held Dogecoin, to like $4 million, and then it went back down to 200K, and he's like, I'm never selling. If you want to be one of those people, no judgment, good for you. That's not me. I want to actually make money in this bull run. So now we have forgotten about Elon Musk effect. One post can send us, yeah, of course, dude. I'm waiting for that, and especially once he takes what's up, Metal Detecting England? What's up, man? How are you? Oh, you want to look at XCN? Let's go. I'll take a look at it for you because you're a Metal Detecting English. I don't even know how that makes sense, but whatever. Taking a look at XCN for my favorite subscriber, Metal Detecting England. From the high to the low, from the east to the west, Nothing's bullish with metal detecting England. Oh, sorry. Nothing's bullish with metal detecting England. I've been saying your name too many times. Nothing's bullish with XCN until we break 2022. Keep in mind from this high to the low. Unfortunately, we have resistance the entire way up. It looks like we're trying to have a breakout right now. So we actually did get over the 236, but we are still in resistance. But the problem is that we have so much resistance on the way up. So just keep in mind, don't get overly bullish like I've been saying. So if you've been listening, I've been saying until we break 1 cent 78, because you remember like a couple weeks ago or days ago, I don't remember, but it went up to 2017 on Coinbase, and then I was like, hey, we hit resistance. Like, just remember this. Be careful, because we might come all the way down, and we actually came down and recorded a lower low here on this general short-term time frame. So just don't get overly excited. I'm sorry to say that, but once we break 2022, then I'd be like, hey, good for you. Like, you're about to make so much money. Like, this thing's about to go parabolic. But as long as we're under 2022, then it is. I can't really say like, oh, this is super bullish, because we're not. We're stuck in resistance. At least we're in resistance now. Again, we've been in it. We've been literally trying to break out of it since August of this year. So August, September, October, going on 4 months now. And then 17 and then 22 needs to break to be bullish. And then just remember, I think support's at 201, right? I don't think. I mean, obviously it hasn't changed because it hasn't went out. Yeah. So support's at 201. That's still the same. Nothing has changed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. Just my opinion. And yeah, I got wrecked at SHIB at the top. So not this time, dude. That's crazy. I made my money last bull run on Shiba Inu because I bought it on crypto.com, and then when Coinbase listed it, I sent it to Coinbase, and then I sold it on Coinbase. And I sold it early, and I missed out on making like an extra like $50,000. But you guys are probably like, oh wow, I'm glad you guys. I'm glad you made money. Unfortunately, this coin right here called OXT took it all back from me. So no, I didn't. And I learned my mistake from there. And now 4 years later, I'm still holding this because at this point I'm married to it, and I might as well just, through the, what do you call it? Through riches and poors, whatever. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm over it. That was boring. All right. So let's see. Caw. Taking a look at, Crow with Knife. That's not a bad gamble play. Oh, it's breaking out. Hey, let's go. Red alert. I'll make a video on Crow, actually. Taking a look at Crow on the live stream for the subscribers that asked for it. We did break resistance, so Crow with Knife is bullish and might go parabolic. Our next target is 6/0/14, as long as 7/0/49 holds. As long as 7/0/49 holds, when any sort of breakdown and retest, then you are looking at 6/0/14 being the next target. So I'll keep you guys updated, and congratulations to whoever caught this move. That would be around a 64% pump from this low. And yeah, we'll just keep you updated, and we'll just take it from there. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I forgot to tell people that. Hey, can you guys please subscribe, like, and comment? Ka is also at a good buying point. No, the buying point was here. Was 7/0/37, and whoever bought, congratulations. Now it's running. So now we're I mean, yeah, I guess technically if you think it's going to run to 6/0/14 because we are over resistance, yes, but just remember that is gambling it, because if we close below and go consolidate in resistance, then we always have a chance of breaking back down to 7/0/26. So yeah, you gotta do what's best for you. That's all. Whoa, someone just sold 309 million. Oh, that's nothing. You guys, this thing's selling billions at a time. That's crazy. Thank you so much for looking. You're absolutely welcome, Metal Detecting England. And thank you for stopping by the live stream. I really appreciate it. Doge no bueno. Let's see. The candle's not closed yet. So as long as we close, as long as this candle closes in the next 45 minutes over 25.74, then we have a shot of at a continuation back up to 41 cents. And then Bitcoin, look at this. Bitcoin's literally bouncing from it. We're back over 79,000, guys. Boys, we're back. Boys and girls, we are back. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we're trying to go parabolic right here. It looks like we're about to blow past this point. What's the next target though? And keep in mind, guys, this is literally on the hourly. So we're looking at 82,000 next. This is very, very, very baby goo goo gaga like TA on the hourly, which I hate doing, but at this point, because we're making history right now, we're just gonna keep live streaming and looking at this on the hourly. So just FYI. Metal Detecting England for €5. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you. Thanks so much for looking at XCN for me. Can't wait for it to hopefully become bullish. Yeah, I can't wait until it becomes bullish too, because this thing is like dude, this thing, Metal Detecting England, if this thing goes back up to its all-time high, and if you sell like incrementally on its way up, for whatever else that, like, let's just say you have 10,000 and you sell all $9,000, however much it's going to be when you sell on the way up, even if you have $1,000 left, that is literally going to be a 7,400% is a 74x. So 10x is, so that's like 74,000. Okay, I mean that's still a lot of money. That's actually still a lot of money. So, but still, for like $1,000 of your position to turn into $74,000 is absolutely crazy. So, dude, that's crazy. I have 20,300,000. Oh my gosh. So what is that? That's a 76. So that is 10 cents. So, oh, you're done. If you hold all 20 million to 10 cents, bro, that is 2,030,000. Yeah, that's $2 million. Yo, I hope you get it, man. But just remember, like, you know, I would probably sell on the way up, but do whatever you want to do. Just remember, we have resistance at these macro targets, right? So 226, 004, 008, 1 cent and a half, 3 cents, 10 cents, and then the rest, whatever. If you end up like doing what I'm doing with Dogelon, you could just let the rest ride in case it hits like, you know, 30 cents, 20 cents, $1, whatever. I don't know. But at that point, you don't even have to worry about it because you're rich. So congratulations in advance. Hey, we're back, guys. We're back. So we actually respected the box. We respected the box, guys. We are back. Dogecoin's back. Dogecoin had a nice bounce from the box. OXT is back, I guess, but we'll see.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
I don't know why my Alexa just went off. Hey Alexa, is Bitcoin going to hit $100,000 this year?
One Bitcoin is worth $79,290 up 4% over the last 24 hours. By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
No. Damn, I guess Alexa doesn't do a price prediction on Bitcoin. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I wasn't even talking, and she like was like, I can't help you with that. I'm like, what? Does she know I'm trying to make money? Like, does she know I'm trying to have OXT go to the moon? I can't help you with that. I didn't ask you to help me with anything, Alexa. So we still got these coins. Oh, Block Lords. That's another one. A lot of people have GST. Yeah, but also I think what people are, uh, let me see. Yeah, so I think like for GST, let me ask her that. Hey Alexa, what's a good cryptocurrency to put all your money in and become rich?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Oh, she doesn't have an answer for that. I guess she doesn't have an answer for that, so that's unfortunate. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna like. A lot of people are thinking that. So the problem with GST is that yeah, it's 66,000. So what is that? 660x. That's unfortunate because look, the market cap double topped, around double topped, right? And the price was $7 relative to 2 cents or 4 cents, whatever it is. Yeah, like 10 cents. So they really diluted this coin, and it's fully diluted now. So the problem with this is that some people think that it's a good investment, which it can go back up, but you got to realize that if it goes back 660x, so let's just say 600x, 100x is 3 billion. I guess it's 18 billion. It's not crazy actually. I mean, that would be the greatest comeback of it all. If GST goes to if GST goes back up to if GST goes back up to $7, I made the wrong play. So that's my bad. Nice. We're coming back. We're coming back. Let's go. Damn, OXC had a huge sell off to 690. Now it's at 707. That's crazy. These swings are absolutely insane. Like you're looking at getting 15% gains in less than like 6 hours. I'm just waiting for my sell targets to hit. I'm not even looking at it. I don't even need to look at it because I have my sell targets hit right now. Sorry, I have my sell targets put in. So that's what's nice when you put in your sell orders. You don't even ever have to look at it again. You just leave it, and if it hits that high, then it hits that high. SUI is doing pretty good. Yeah, literally all-time high for SUI. Congrats on people that bought SUI. So yeah, so you're looking at, so came down, tagged the 786 perfectly. Now you're looking at 576 being the next target on the way up, as long as 220 holds. And at this point, that's such a big drop, and you just don't know if that's actually going to happen. That's 22%. You get something like this, and then you get like the spike up, and you'd be validating this huge uptrend that we're in. So a lot of coins are like in a huge downtrend, but SUI is in a huge uptrend. So congratulations to whoever bought SUI. And another one is like Prime. That's another Coinbase coin. I saw this at $1. I can't believe that it's like, yeah, I can't believe it's so bullish. Went from $1 to $20, 27, like 30x. How awesome is that? If you had actually bought it at the dollar mark. And even Pangolin, like even if you're in Pangolin, like it went down to 1 to 2 cents, and it went up to 40, 50, 70 cents, however much it went up to. What did it go up to? So it went up to 81 cents. That itself is around a 32x, a 3200%. So that's a lot. Damn, I need my coin to do that. Come on. I need Doge at $1. I think that's possible. I think that's possible. I think that's only a 4x from the current price. So one day you're gonna wake up and Coinbase is gonna show you, or Robinhood, whichever you have your, wherever you have your Dogecoin, it's gonna be like, oh wow, like it's up 400%. So I hope that happens for you. That would be nice. Oh, we're back. Hey guys, we're back. Bitcoin's back. Let's go. Don't you know, pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Let me see something. I wonder if I could be in my own chat. Oh, I guess I can. Oh, that's perfect. That actually works out perfectly. Dude, that's so funny. I can super chat myself. Like, imagine if I super chatted myself. Let's go. We just broke 3,100 subscribers. That's really good. I'm hoping to get to 10K. That would be really nice. Get to like 10K by the end of the year. I guess it's possible if I just keep doing live streaming every single day, but I feel like I need to change the video name, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'll just do like Bitcoin and altcoin, Bitcoin, altcoin, meme coins, technical analysis, and live stream. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The rally may start again at 7 p.m. before. I mean, we're already going up. But what time 7 p.m.? Because I'm Pacific Standard Time, so I don't know. I don't know if you're East Coast, because East Coast right now is 4:30. So yeah, but I don't do clickbait. I don't do clickbait at all. So I'm very like when you asked me if is your coin going to like $10, I'd be like, no, it's not. Maybe you should think more realistic targets and be happy with the fact that you just 10x'd your money. Maybe that's why I'm not growing as fast, because I don't put like on my videos. Like if you look at my channel, Sombra, if you look at my channel, you'll just see like basic names like Dogecoin, technical analysis, and my opinion today. So you basically get my opinion. If you notice it when up since 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Yes, New York, yeah. Oh, New York, the Big Apple. Nice. The Big Apple. Yeah, hey guys, we're back. We're back. We need to break 79,858 to be back, and it looks like we're getting a nice green candle right now, so I'm really hoping we blow past. Yeah, I'm really hoping we blow past it. Yeah, well, welcome to the live stream. I'm happy to have you here, and just a little bit about my channel. If whenever, yeah, you could always ask for technical analysis on any of the coins that you hold, and I will give you the short-term price predictions of where support is and where resistance is. Oh, you don't have to apologize for your language. I totally understand what you're saying. Just FYI. Yeah, I could take a look at your coins, and then we could just see how high they can go. Let's find a coin that pump 100x. Yeah, there's none. Oh wait, I was looking at one coin. It's called like Snoopy. I don't know if it like went up or not. No, it didn't. This is a huge gamble coin though, but I just don't know if this is actually gonna make it or not. Like, what is that? And then you have a H Shrek. Yeah, Shrek coin. Liquidity lock though, that's pretty good. Imagine if they come out with another Shrek coin. Bybits, is that one of the coins you want me to look at? Don't you know, pump it up. I don't see Bybits. Alright, you want me to take a look at Gearhead? What's up? You're late to the live stream. I've been live streaming for going on 3 hours now. So 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. Yeah, 3 hours. Louis the Cool, can anyone help? There are 2 Jassy Pollock on Uniswap. My percent are up, but when I try to sell, the price is same or is go down. Yeah, so I don't know, because the liquidity is probably super low. So because the liquidity is super low, it just depends on how much it just depends on how much coins you have. If you're holding a lot of coins, then yeah, it's gonna affect the price a lot. I don't think he got rugged. I just don't think he's selling yet. Let's see. Let's look at Gala for Gearhead. Gala for Gear. Gala for Gear. Taking a look at Gala for Gearhead. Yeah, so nothing's bullish with Gala yet. It looks like we attempted to have a breakout, but did we get stuck at resistance? Yeah, we're still stuck in resistance. So you're looking at the 382. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. So you have resistance at 2 cents 75. It looks like we're attempting to break out of resistance right now, but just keep in mind we are still technically in resistance. Once 2 cents 75 breaks, then you are looking at retesting this previous wick at 8 cents. And then, like I said last time, there is no more support. So we just have to hope that this is the bottom. Otherwise, we are going to go back down to the lows. There's no point in saying that right now, though, because we're in resistance and we're well above the 236, which is at 2 cents 11. So with any sort of pullback, as long as it holds over 2 cents 11, then you are looking at a continuation up at 2 cents 75, and then same thing happens once that breaks. Then you're looking at the previous high. So Moonboy is winning today. I thought I said whining. Take a look at CJ coin on Bybits. It did 1000x. What's CJ coin? Oh, I don't think I can look this up. Yeah, I can't find it. Sorry, I can't find that coin. I made 2,000 on Shiba today since 2 a.m. Sold at 1:45 p.m. Let's go. Hey, congratulations on the 2K. That's awesome. Oh, hey, I fell asleep during... What's up, Matthew Dropco? Oh, hey, I fell asleep 2 times during Vision's mini marathon. How are you? This has been a long week and finally becoming distressed. Tokens are going up. Helped relax me too. Yeah, I bet that's why you fell asleep, because you knew that we're in a bull run. And you're like, finally, after 4 years, I could get a nice little nap in. Congratulations, by the way, on your coins going up. So, unfortunately, you can see my coin is still not up. My target, my first sell order is at 10 cents. So, when that goes through, I'll be happy. Dogecoin's 41 cents. I don't have Dogecoin, but that's just because that, name of my stream, trying to get people here, trying to get views. But yeah, it's crazy. Vision stream had 600 or 1,100 people in it. That's awesome. Good for him. And my stream, unfortunately, is not doing so well, but it's okay. I've been streaming for the last 3 hours almost. So, it's all gonna come down to what Bitcoin does. Even Shiba and Doge sometimes outperform BTC on Solana. Yeah. Oh, Matthew Dropco for 2. Let's go. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome. That's really, really nice. Thank you. So yeah, I already did Degen and I already did Pitbull. So good luck. Like, imagine that. So I already did it. No. We'll take a look at Degen and Pitbull. So let's look at Pitbull. I think I already have a graph for you for Pitbull, right? On Solana, no, Pitbull on BNB. Yeah, so for Pitbull, we are, yeah, for Pitbull, it looks like we're still working our way to 9.045 to 9.080. Keep in mind, again, that was around 135% pump from the current price, or from the price down here. It has gone up a little bit. On the downside, it needs to hold 9 cents 20, because this area is, we don't really even have to worry about it, but just worst case scenario, we get a huge capitulation or Bitcoin all of a sudden drops by 10 grand. Just remember, 9.020 is area of support. Once this breaks, I do put it to the moon, and moon boy target is the retest of the high, which is around a 2,000% pump from the current price. So just remember that. And then you want Degen, because you are not a Degen. See, you are not a Degen. Yeah, so let's take a look at Degen for you. And then we'll take a look at Sombras coins. I'll need to read all of your messages. So taking a look at Degen, unfortunately, I don't think we are macro bullish yet. Oh, no, we are. Oh, no, we're not. Okay, so we're getting stuck at the 382. As long as it stays over 2.056, it is still bullish on the macro time frame. I'd say to the moon once we break 2.091, which we're actually hugging right now. We broke out, so we are attempting to break out. Keep in mind that is also, you can clearly see that's the 236 from the low to the high. And then it would probably be the 236 from the low to the high. So I would say bullish over 2.09. If we manage to get over and stay over that, I would put the next target at this previous wick, and then we're going to start making our way up to around 6.5 cents. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Once that breaks, though, I mean, where's that going to put the market cap? So it's a 6x. I don't know what the market cap is. Yeah, so that is, going to put the market cap at around. It's still going to be under $1 billion. So can it actually go to like 30, 40 cents and be a $5 billion market cap coin? It is possible, but just also keep in mind it's not fully diluted. So there's only 33% of the supply that's released. So in case they do release coins, just be aware of that. That is going to kind of push the price down. and it is going to get harder to get that price closer to what the price is before, because right now it's not fully diluted. So it's going to be harder to push the price up. So that's what I think. Bonk and Sheep were battling back and forth today. Yeah, dude, they're both running. Sorry if I missed it. Have you taken a look at Unibot? No, I haven't. I'm never going to look at that for you. I'm just joking. Obviously, I'm just joking. I'll take a look at it for you in a second. A Discord community or Telegram will help your channel. No, I'm not going to do Discord or Telegram. I appreciate it, though. But I appreciate the suggestion. But no, I'm not going to do Telegram or Discord. Yeah, DGen got to penny today. Cousins hold it. Couldn't. What's couldn't? Yeah, DGen hold it. Oh, today couldn't hold it. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, you sold it? So you sold your DGen? I'm good on coins. Holding Doge now, waiting to break 28 to sell. I mean, we're getting a nice recovery right now, guys. So, unfortunately, we're not getting a nice recovery on OXT, but that's OXT. What do you expect? Oh, couldn't hold a penny. Got it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it looks like we got rejected at 1 cent. Was that where this previous wick was? Yeah, it was 11. So it was 1 cent one. So yeah, I feel like this is gonna be a really good coin. I feel like this thing's gonna go absolutely parabolic, just because of the name. And like, look, it has a little hat, and then look, like the website's even cool. Meme with a dream. Yeah, this thing is like, I feel like this thing's gonna go parabolic, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Unibot. Oh, I almost actually did forget about that. Taking a look at Unibot for Payne South. Oh wow, dude, this thing's way down. I guess not really. It's only a 27x back up to its all-time high. So from the high to the low, you're looking at bullish on the macro time frame once we break $12.66. And then in terms of support goes, unfortunately, this doesn't have any more support other than its previous low. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, this is a gamble. Obviously, we're all at the low, so theoretically, this would be the time to buy this coin. And you're looking at bearish under $12.71, bullish over $12.71, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, I hope that made sense. I know that's, I mean, yeah, this is only also a an $89 million market cap coin. It is fully diluted, so that is good. That means no surprises. It does only have 1 million supply, so that is a little bit. And oh, it's on crypto.com, so maybe this will go do something. So yeah, good luck with this. At least my coins have more bullish structure now. Yeah, seriously, let's go, Moon Boys, let's go. How's OXT looking? Not good. How's Dogecoin looking? Not good. How's Bitcoin looking? Pretty good. All right, guys. So we're going to be live for another 15 minutes for a total of 3 hours. So whatever coins you guys want to talk about, feel free to talk about it. We're going to keep looking at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks 79, then 79,858, obviously. I'd probably stay on a little bit longer because I want to see if 82,740 gets hit. And then if 82,740 gets hit, then you're looking at me staying on all night because we're gonna become rich. This is it, boys. I'm gonna call out of work tomorrow. No more unloading the Amazon trucks. No more post office. No more delivering people's mails. No more. I guess what else can I be? Oh, imagine if I was a police officer. Yeah, no more being a police officer. Dogelon had a nice move. Yeah, I just pulled it up. So Dogelon's actually about to go parabolic if we manage to stay over 6 zeros 18. So far so good. Oh my god, Bitcoin's moving. Let's go. I don't have work off tomorrow, but yeah, I don't know if we're going to run again tomorrow. I think we had a monster run. I think that it's safe to say that we had a monster run today, and we have some sort of a cool off tomorrow. But again, it could just keep running. Like literally, this thing can just keep going up for the next 3 months, and we could land anywhere between here and like $100,000, and then or 170,000, whatever it's gonna be, and then that's it. So when OXC breaks the March high, call your boss and tell him you work for me now. No way. I would never do that. I would never do that. I like my bosses. They're very understanding and like they get it. You know that little light that some people don't have on in their heads. Yeah, I think they have it on. At least I know I have mine on. So, or at least I know mine is on. So, anyway, total sidetrack. But no, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't just call them and be like, I quit. Like what? If I get a lot of money though, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So you think Jassy Pollock priced because of the liquidity? Yes, I do. I think that it is because of the liquidity. But also, like, you have the right one, right? Oh my god. You have the right one? Are you sure you have the one that, like... Oh. Sorry, my cat was being cute, so I had to go give it lots of affection and love. So you think Jazz? Yeah. So you gotta. Are you sure you have the right one? Because if you sell it, like, what do you mean it doesn't give you a price? But yeah, it is also. I think that when you go price and it says, oh, it's gonna impact the price, like the slippage. Are you talking about you're getting a slippage error? Because if you're getting a slippage error, then that's different. Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, and more. Thank you. You're welcome, Pain South. When Dogelon broke 18, I was like, Crypto Meow has been saying this level for a while. Yeah. Absolutely. Because 18 was such a strong area of resistance. So that's what... It was like clearly like we were getting stuck at it, you remember? Like, look, we've been getting stuck, and we've had this graph drawn. So you go back and look at the live streams, right? We were getting stuck at 6 zeros 15 once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times before we finally broke out. So like that's since September. So we waited September, October, now we're in November. So 3 months. That's why I'm not like, oh my god. But now I'm like, oh yeah, this is great. Like, it's over the moving average. It's over 18. It's over 20. So this is great. Like this, I'm really excited. This is my money maker. Flip Coins in the house. Let's go, Flip Coins. What's up, man? How are you? Welcome to the end of the live stream-ish. It's not, yeah, I'd say the end. I've been live streaming for at least like 3 hours now. So it's gonna be maybe I'll go another hour if I get a lot more people. Question: will Ethereum draw liquidity out of Solana and my coins? Will Ethereum draw liquidity out of Solana and my coins? No. No, I don't think so. I think it's gonna be the other way around. I think that when Ethereum runs, the Ethereum coin, like, it's gonna run, and then the same thing's gonna happen because Solana is an altcoin. So when Ethereum dominance drops, then you're gonna get Solana going up, and it's gonna bring liquidity in to. Oh wow, did we just get a nice move up again? Oh, we did get a nice move up again. That's Tony. Oh my god, Dogelon Mars is going to the moon, guys. Yeah, so I think it's the other way around, Flip Coins. I think that when Ethereum goes up, yes, but when the Ethereum dominance drops, that's gonna increase. That's like when Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum dominance drop. That's when alt season starts. That's when my coin's gonna go up. That's when your coins are gonna go up. So. Oh, we had a nice move. Dogelon's moving again. Yeah, Bitcoin's about to break our box, guys. Dogecoin's about to break the box again. Orchid's not so good, but we already knew that. Flip Coins for 10. Yo, thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh, thank you, Flip Coins. That's crazy. I appreciate it so much. Bam. Let me know what you want me to look at for you. If you need me to look at any of your coins. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. When I tried to swap or bite, there's only one. Oh, there's only one show. Yeah, but Louis the Cool, when you go try to swap it for Ethereum, you have to swap your Jassy Pollitt for Ethereum. So when you swap it for Ethereum, what does it tell you? So you have to swap your coins that you have for Ethereum, because then you can send your Ethereum to Coinbase or wherever. And then, oh, we're bullish again, guys. We're breaking out. The box held. We have 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes. We need to break over this. Turbo and used car. Taking a look at Turbo. Taking a look at Turbo on the live stream. Oh, I'm so used to. Yeah, so we're over the box. So as long as we stay over 209 to 2093, which we actually broke over, which is very bullish, you are looking at 1 cent 30, and then you're looking at 2 cents being the next area of support. So as of right now, nothing in this graph has changed. Everything still remains the same. 1 cent 30 is in play right now because we're over this box. So keep in mind we can come up and then get rejected, just in case you need to take profit or whatever. That's around a 46% pump. And then from here to up here, which is all-time highs, in price discovery, it is around 113%. Keep in mind that that would put the market cap at around 1.2 billion. So in the grand scheme of things, I think that is very possible for Turbo. And then let's do used car for you. I actually looked at this earlier because I was like, oh, Flip Coins isn't here, but I'm just going to take a look at it anyway because I always look at this coin. So we're attempting to break out of the box. As of right now, 14 to 18 held. So you're looking at 1 cent 90. Right now, the current price 1 cent 90 up to 3 cents 75, which is the retest of this previous wick. So again, same with this. Nothing has changed from the previous time that we looked at this graph, and I'm going to keep this graph like this. So as of right now, it is a 95% pump. If we go up and if we don't get rejected and break back down, you are looking at up to a 280% price increase to around 7.5 cents. So not financial advice, just my opinion. But yeah, so far so good for both used car and for Turbo. And again, thank you so much for the super chat. That's awesome, and I really appreciate it. Pump. Rhonda on SUI. It's on Deck Screener. Yeah, what do you want me to look at? This thing's going... There's really nothing to look at. And first of all, congratulations on your 10x if you bought here. And hold on, let me check Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still stuck. We have 4 minutes to break out. Same with Dogecoin, stuck. OXC is doing pretty good. OXC is over the box, so actually surprisingly, that's really good. Dogelon Mars is having a nice little bounce. Okay, so let's look at Ronda. Yeah, this is a gamble coin. I would say next target is 406, and then as long as it stays over this, basically this previous high. So 50.99. So very simple. Gamble coin, you're looking at another 150% pump. Otherwise, you are looking at a bigger capitulation down of around 57%, back down to retest the 501. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. I wonder if we need to have BTC lose dominance to get our altcoin run. Yes, Matthew Dropco, we do need that. Absolutely. Why not both? Old money can afford BTC and ETFs of BTC/ETH. Normal people can't. So maybe we buy altcoins and then buy BTC. Yeah, but that's not what the big whales are doing. So when I make all my money in Bitcoin and I sell, I rotate into smaller market cap coins, and which is like, you know, your top 100 coins, and then that's why those coins pump. So Bitcoin profits all come down to altcoins. So just FYI. No waiting for losing BTC dominance. When I try to swap between two Jassy Pollock, I won't let me, so I'm guessing there's only one. Well, why would you switch between two Jassy Pollock? You would switch your Jassy Pollock that you know you have for Ethereum. So what does it say when you try to do that? How's CTX looking? I'll take a look at that. Doge Moon. Unfortunately, there's no Doge Moon because we're getting stuck at 27 cents. We are still in the box. Bitcoin's still in the box. We have 2 minutes. We do have to break above this box, okay? We really need to break above it. And then Orchid, same here. Just same old, same old. What is this? Just another Elon coin? Oh, this Elon coin's doing pretty good. Elon Mars, that's funny. I just came across, like, what is this? Elon Mars, that's pretty funny. I've been looking at Ronda since the day of launch. Community is legit. Well, good luck. I hope you make it big in that coin, Rusty. I really do. Oh no, we have 1 minute. Come on. Get up there. Nope. We did not. Here we go back down, guys. Get ready. Hold your horses. Because we're going back down. We're about to draw a massive green, red candle here. I mean, OXC's fine though. OXC's doing good. But yeah, unfortunately, we couldn't break out. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Is this it? Oh, we're breaking out. Is this it? Come on, come on. Yes, it's going. Alright. I see this giant green candle forming. What we don't want to see is a double top on that, a double wick on that though. That would be a problem. Alrighty. Let's look at Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin's doing the same thing. Orchid is just doing Orchid things. Nothing too exciting on OXT. OXT. I guess, let me look at the moving average. The simple moving average, and we're going to do a 200-day. Oh yeah, we are we over the 200-day moving average? We are over the 200-day moving average. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're not over the 200-day moving average. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Okay. Let's change it back to the hourly, and then I guess it is on the hourly. I don't know why it would change that though. Yeah, I don't know why it would change that, but I guess whatever. Alrighty, so this is still in play. That's good. Bitcoin, we'll see what happens. No! Oh, I already knew it. I already knew it. It was too good to be true. When it started going up, I was like, you know what? It's going to go match that previous wick right here. And we're just going to go back down and go back down to 78,000. Unfortunately, if it does close below that, then we are looking at $76,000 capitulation. So not good, but it is what it is. And then same with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is probably about to go red right now. And then OXT, I'm surprised this isn't already red. And then Dogelon Mars is doing actually very good. So again, congrats to everybody that bought Dogelon Mars down here, because you guys are reaping the profits now. So congratulations. How's the chat doing? Is everyone still just holding? Oh, CTX. Adam needs me to look at CTX. Sorry about that. There's so much going on right now. So taking a look at CTX for Adam in the chats. So from the high to the low, we are over the 382, which means that it is very bullish. As long as we stay over 209, you are looking at retesting the previous high, the previous wick, and then the previous high. And in terms of support goes, I do think we've been holding support. Yeah, so we've been holding this, I guess technically that's invalidated. Yeah, so it would be $1.16 on the downside if for whatever reason this isn't the floor. So $1.53. So long story short, as long as we stay over 209, 778 is in play. If we don't, and then, you know, up to 778, so you got to do whatever you need to do, like in terms of your targets go. And then if we don't hold 209, we are looking at $1.53, strong area support, and absolutely needs to stay over. Otherwise, $1.17 is in play. So I don't know if that's going to happen, but again, with any sort of big Bitcoin capitulation, I have seen coins go down like 50-60%. So yeah, that's all I got. And I hope that made sense. Yeah, Bitcoin's going back down, or Bitcoin's like struggling with that area right now. And then that's not good. We'll see. I'm holding Billy and Samo, hoping to rotate once they move up 5x. All right, let's take a look at both of those for you. So taking a look at Billy for flip coins, because that's what he does. He flips coins. Um, hey, I get it now. You flip coins. So, yeah, you flip coins. So, all right, let me flip a coin. So, if it's heads, Bitcoin's going to 82,000 tonight. If it's tails, we're going to 76,000. Oh, it's heads. So that means that we're bullish, guys. This coin, I'm going to put it separate just in case it happens. We know that it's a lucky coin. All right, so taking a look at Billy for flip coins. We are in the box right now, so unfortunately we need to hold 23. If we come down and we bounce from 23, that should be fine, obviously, because we held the box. But at any point, if we break below the box, we are looking at 1 cent 50, absolutely needing to hold for a double bottom. Once we break 29.33, which we're basically hugging right now, once we break that, we are looking at 8 cents being the next target, and that hasn't changed from the last time that we've looked at Billy. Taking a look at Samo. So in terms of Samo goes, oh wow, I had a nice move. We are getting rejected at the box. So nothing's bullish with Samo until we break 1 cent. Clearly bullish over 2.084. So with any sort of breakdown, 2.084 absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't, then we're going to come back down and retest these lows. Once 1 cent breaks, I would put Samo at 3 cents, and then once that breaks, you're looking at up to 8 cents, and from there, we're just going to have to relook at the targets. If Dogelon breaks the 4, what's the next level? 6, right? 606? Let me see. So once it breaks the 4, oh, okay. Well, I kind of went bullish on this at 5.013, but I guess technically if you really want, you can do... you can do 6 zeros 53, 6 zeros 7, 77, and then 5 zeros 13, 5 0, and then previous all-time high. But just be careful. We are, it does like to double top, so just be careful with that. Oh wow, Dogecoin's getting a nice move right now, guys. We are over the box. This is really good. Oh, Bitcoin's, hey, the coin never fails. Guys, the coin, hey, the coin never fails. Oh my gosh, we're going up. Alrighty. With that being said, I do think that, we've been live streaming for 3 hours now. Actually, a little bit more than 3 hours. I think I'm gonna call it. I think my back is basically done. The stool. When we move, I'm definitely gonna change my. I'm on a stool right now, and it's killing my back. So I need to buy a chair when we move, which I'm going to. I'm gonna get a nice little mic, one of those streaming mics where it clamps onto your desk, and it's gonna have like neon lights and stuff, and then I'm gonna have a background and all that stuff. So I think it's gonna be pretty nice, a pretty nice setup, which I'm pretty stoked about. So with that being said, I mean at this point I can't get off, right? Whatever. Actually, it is what it is. I can't live stream all day. I need to go make dinner too. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I want to take some profits at 12, but I'm debating if it's even going there. 12? You mean 5 zeros 13, 5 zeros 12? Yeah, I mean it might not. Like you got to do what's best for you. So that's why I put it here, because I know at least we're gonna hit 6 zeros 4, and that's around a 4x. Or I guess at 3x, 2.5x. Roy's Army, you're late. What's up, Roy's Army? Welcome to the end of the live stream. I've been live streaming for 3 hours now, so more than 3 hours, 3 hours and 10 minutes. So unfortunately, I am about to call it, and Unless you need me to look at any last minute coins, I will stay here for you. So let me know what you want me to look at. I'll be on for another 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and we'll take on stragglers. Hopefully that's enough time for Bitcoin to go to 82,740. Yeah. Oh, it's like I'm about to leave and then now I have 17 viewers. It's funny how that works. I mean, I'll stay. Let's take a look at Pepe 2. Taking a look at Pepe 2, so we are getting a nice move for Roy's army, but we are still under resistance. So as long as we're under resistance, just keep in mind that 70s25 is in play. Once 70s42 does break, then you are looking at up to 60s28 and then all-time highs. Price discovery of 50s12, which as of today is going to be around a 40x, which does still put the market cap under $1 billion. So obviously, you know, you're gambling. This is a gamble coin, but nothing has changed from the last time that we drew this graph. So everything is basically the same. Damn, you're working on the weekends? You better have like some weekdays off. Enjoy. Come here. Here you go. You guys can say hi, hi to my cat. This is a bottom signal right here. When the cat goes on the lap, it's a bottom signal. She knows everything. She knows if Bitcoin's going to 0 or if Bitcoin's going to 100,000. Taking a look at Gummy for Mr. Gummy Bear. Yeah, so nothing's bullish with Gummy because we are still under resistance. And actually, why did I draw that line? Yeah, I don't know why I drew this line. Oh, I know why. Because that was support, right? Yeah. So that's the 382. At this point, I'm just going to delete that. Because we could just, you know, honestly, just this floor needs to hold. So yeah, nothing's new with Gummy. Unfortunately, just keep in mind we're still in this downtrend. Right? So it looks like we're coming back up to retest it, but remember, we need to stay over it. We're probably going to pop, retest it, and then get up on out of here. But we really need to break over the box. Once the box breaks, I'd say Gummy to the moon, or Gummy to Gummy moon, and we're going to go retest the previous high at around 22 cents. So keep in mind that is also a 25x. Very small market cap. This is a gamble coin. You already know that. So you're looking at 70, 140, like 150, 160 million, 160, 175 $1 million market cap, which is a gamble. 25x, that's not bad. And if this is it, then this is going to go to the moon. Then this is one of your chosen. If this is one of the chosen coins, then good luck. I hope you make it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you everybody that stopped by. Thank you so much for coming to the live stream and hanging out with me for 3 hours and 15 minutes of nonstop Bitcoin price talk. and analysis. So I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody that stopped by. I really appreciate all the super chats. Thank you so much for all of your support. Just remember that none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all for entertainment purposes. Thank you, and I hope my coins go to the moon. I hope your guys' coins go to the moon. I hope one day I wake up and my OXT's up like, 1,000%. Unfortunately, I mean, look at this giant sell-off. That's horrible. Let me look at the hourly really quick. Yeah, that's crazy. Like, look at the RSI. Look at what that did to the RSI. Bam, just smacked it down. It did reset the stock RSI though. So, yeah. Roy's Army for 2. Dang, thank you so much for that, man. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. That's awesome. Like, super chat at the end of the live stream. That's really cool. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to live stream tomorrow after work because I do work on the weekdays and I don't have tomorrow off. So remember, I am trying to live stream every single day this month. So I will be here at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks, Roy's Army. Also, if you guys don't know, I do have an Instagram. Oops. Yeah, so I do have an Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me, it is Cryptobia Analysis. Hold on, let me see. So I do post my whatever you call it, my schedule. Like I have this. I just posted this today, where it's like, hey, Bitcoin breaks all season around the corner, 11 a.m. stream, Pacific Standard Time, 11:10. So I do make like little reels like this, and I do post it. So in case you guys want to follow me on Instagram, that's you guys are more than welcome to do that. And then that way you guys know, because I post it in the mornings when I know what time I'm live streaming. So it's kind of like I'm making posts on when I'm going to live stream. I also do post it on YouTube. So anyway, that's pretty much it. None of this is financial advice. 10 for 20 more minutes. Oh, damn. What, you're going to send me $10 for 20 more minutes of what, though? There's nothing else to talk about. You want to talk more about OXT? That's funny. It's okay. It's totally fine. You don't have to send me anything. Thank you so much for what you did send me. So I really do appreciate it too. And then, hold on. Let me just look at this really quick. Yeah, guys, we got a buyback. So this thing looks like it wants to get up on out of here. But anyway, that's pretty much it. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And I will catch you guys in the next live stream. Have a great night. And I will see you guys tomorrow.